Dude, oh my God. Bitcoin's up 17%. What? Oh my God. Hey, traders. Good to see y'all again. Bitcoin, wow, what a massive breakout of 42K. Was testing it for a good amount of hours, a few hours, and then just moments ago, blam, blasted through it. The absorption of the remaining supply, it seems, completed, and there wasn't much of any supply until a higher level, which is around 44K, and you pulled back. Bitcoin's up 16% right now. It's up 17, 18%. Altcoins following some a lot. Some are following very well, and some are just, they're okay. I mean, Luna's up 25%. BNB's up 10%. Heck, even Cardano's up 13%. And Ethereum up 11.45%. But beautiful. This is so important, chat. So important. The 3-day chart. The 3-day chart. Formal resistance is broken. Right? The area, you're above it. Your positive momentum's building. The stage is set. Massive markup. 57K eventually. 50K maybe first. 50% retrace. And a little bit of resistance. I mean, it's like 50 to 53K. And yeah, you're soon to be confirming a double bottom, a higher low double bottom. That neckline is 45,861. And you're almost there, man. There's very little formal resistance above 42K. You just got to deal with the pesky little local high that did definitely act as a reversal area most recently when it tested it early February. But hey, it's not early February anymore, man. It's late February, and tomorrow will be March. And that means in 1 hour and 14 minutes, we will have a monthly candle close.
eBay accepting BTC pump.
What's up, Ollie? Oh, that, I don't know, maybe. Maybe, dude. Maybe it's like also, you got Putin announcing that he's going to try to start a real-world currency or something stupid, that no one's going to use except North Korea and China, maybe. Even Belarus, of course, right? Anyway, so here's your monthly. This is the way it's going to close. It's not bad. It's not really much of any kind of candle, like a reversal candle, but nice to close green. And nice to see Bitcoin close, holding that candle low close from June twice. Once in January, and then once in February. Nice to see that hold. What's going on? I'm getting people blowing up, man. Talking like my phone's blowing up. People, all walks of life when Bitcoin's up 15%. All right, it just happens. So that's closing 1 hour 13 minutes. We'll be here for the monthly candle close. Look at the weekly. Here's your weekly, man. The weekly. The hidden divergence is beginning to play out. You got above 40 and you've never tested it again, and now you're at your highest RSI on the weekly since December 27th. Highest highs we've seen of the year, the new year. And how incredible, 6 days left, but what a bullish engulfing candle. Really, it's almost like a, you can imagine rising through methods, but not really. It's kind of whacked out. That's great, man. So we can go to the daily now, 3-day, weekly, monthly. Look at this, man. Look at this daily engulfing candle. Big impulse candle. $6,130 candle so far. And wow, that's crazy. And that's what kind of got me shook. That negative Momo building again, then just boom. Just kidding. Hidden divergence plays out, I guess. And you're beginning to build positive momentum first time since the 17th of this month. But really, this is everything, man. Getting back above this, we're back in business. Hey, good to see y'all, man.
All right, guys. I'm still in the background here, kind of processing some of the.
Sorry, got like a thing up, multicam of the whole Ukraine-Russia situation. I like staying in the loop on that. So, wow, he hadn't said anything like all day, I don't think, until right now. He waited till it went live. But you could have looked at this like a dragon too, like the bullish dragon. And you know, there's just so many things to look at. Hold on, I gotta get my chat up because, dude, I'm like knocking things over, you know, to get up here to hit the live button. It's always good to commune and hang out and meet up when things are good, not scary, bad, and death and war. That's all going on, but at least we got something going for us, which is Bitcoin. Something that still makes more sense than most things in this world. Yeah, hold on. Bueller, can we get some hype in the chat? Just make sure everyone's here. Thanks for the 1,110 tuned in for this absolutely incredible event that is occurring right now. Thank y'all for being here. Yeah, so let's go to Ethereum real quick. And I'll constantly be monitoring Bitcoin on the other screen. So once we catch a rally or something, we catch session highs, we'll be going right back to it, dropping everything we got. Here it is. Same thing. Same idea, right? Cypher or alternate bat. Scott Carney's alternate bat, whatever. They were both good. One was a 113, one was a 786. Fine. Then you just tell me about some confluence then. Two different swing lows and the same swing high. Confluent, fine. That's okay right there. But then there was the second low. You don't really know. Yesterday was kind of scary, but you were still outside of the channel, and all you did was break out, back test it, and now you're going. The break, hook, and go confirmation. Positive momentum just beginning to build again. You can imagine how high that could go on higher prices, and a little bit more work needs to be done on this one, as it is still underperforming Bitcoin pretty vastly in terms of where it is percentage-wise to its previous discernible swing highs, right? So if you're talking about Bitcoin compared to its previous high, you're about 2% away, 2.3% away from your previous high that was on the date of February 15th. For Ethereum, though, you are a good about 8%, 7.8% away. So you're seeing Bitcoin right now outperform the living crap out of Ethereum at this time. But that's okay. Give it some more time. Like, give it another few days. Maybe Ethereum's going to catch up, right? I must break you. We must break 3K, but it's all good because it's the same setup as Bitcoin where it's a massive confirmation low. It's like a massive bottom that is highly discernible on significant time scales, leading me to believe that it really is. It's real. It's not like a joke. So if you break 3K, you got to check out your local highs. 3,400 is kind of like a big area, but I'm thinking, man, there's just not too much till 39.68, 39.50, and $4,000. So, I mean, if Bitcoin's going to its 50,000, 58K area, which based on wave structures, it looks like that's where it'd be headed to, then Ethereum's going to its 4,200, 4,400 area. So just think about it like this. You just think about it like preemptive harmonic, the wave structure. We just could very well have just ended and finished your C wave, and you're just now beginning the D wave. The D wave's a large wave, and it would take you to the 886. This would be a bearish bat pattern. 4561 would be your target, your pattern completion zone of this. It's the wave structure, okay? And this, doing that is exactly what we did on the 4 hour on Ethereum right here. We had made that higher low January 27th, and we plotted it. We said, okay, that would be the pattern completion zone. It ran up to it and tested it. And then it's reversed and made a lower high type 2 return. Listen to me. If you've been paying attention to me the past couple days, this is the argument for Bitcoin Ethereum on the daily. It's the same argument you would have had on Ethereum in the midterm downtrend. Midterm downtrend, bearish pattern develops, then you get a lower high, double top, and it performs well, and you lose 88% of your value from previous low to high. Okay, that's the same thing that's going on the daily for Bitcoin. Right? But inversed, where Bitcoin is in a long-term uptrend. All right, flip the chart over. Is it much different than how that was identified on Ethereum, where it's made a lower high, hit the pattern completion zone, and then it sold off, and then it rallied and made a lower high, What do you think's coming next? Yeah, the trend is your friend. Your long-term trend is your friend. You've hit deep resets. You've got confirmation highs. Just kidding. You've got confirmation lows that are higher than previous lows, meaning what? Accumulation argument. And now you've broken critical resistance points. So you can't be surprised. I mean, like, I get it. 44K is there. I just don't. After confirming the bottom at this level, it's just going to be harder for me to believe that you're not going to keep going up. It's just, right? I get it. The first time you got to react, but, you know, the second time, though, breaking resistance, confirming the bottom, that's when everyone in the world's like gains confidence to believe the bottom's in. So way more bids come in. Now you probably got a bunch of Russians buying too at the same time. Yeah, eBay stuff too. We're accepting, you know, whatever. I don't think that's really like, I mean, it's cool and all, but I mean, how big of a deal? How much? This isn't like, you know, 2003. So eBay, is it really that relevant these days? But it's cool though. I mean, it's like just one little, just throw it in. You know, it's like each news-driven catalyst, each form of adoption is just a little coin. You keep throwing it in the chest. The chest is gonna fill up. It's gonna overflow one day, and then everyone's gonna be using Bitcoin. What's up, crypto dude, man? Thanks for the 1,348 people tuned in. Yeah, it's like if this doesn't get you interested, nothing will, right? 15% candle.
You're appreciated.
Well, thank you, man. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate it. Kind words. Yeah, eBay screwed Brad over out of a Herman Miller chair before, so I get it. So I vicariously am reluctant to eBay. I've done eBay before. I had to replace one of my things. It was like a hub for my bows, and it was awesome experience, but it was also like a $40 purchase, not a $800 purchase. So all right, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, fantastic, testing critical levels, just a little bit behind, underperforming, because we want to talk about when cycles like reverse, what happens? It's normally like Bitcoin steals the show, but in this situation, like, you know, there are other altcoins doing exceptionally well today, matching Bitcoin in performance, even outperforming. But this is kind of how it goes, right? I mean, Bitcoin's number one, and then Ethereum later. Ethereum will have its day maybe in a week from now or something, right? And it will outperform the crap out of Bitcoin. It's just, this is kind of how it starts. Big moves on Bitcoin. And then everything's kind of lags and starts catching up. Okay, so BNB, let's look at BNB. Okay, so you haven't broken out yet, but the bullish engulfing candle on the daily will be confirmed in 1 hour and 3 minutes. Your bullish divergence is there on the second low at an inflection point. Literally everything you can ask for is here for a trade setup. Everything. Like for an actionable long. It's tough to go long on a 9% candle, but like these are the areas. These are the low risk areas, because what can happen? What can happen? The new wave, right? It's kind of like market is implying that this wave is over and a new wave is about to begin upward. Okay? That's the XABCDs. Trading view alerts going under. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, they do that, and it sometimes requires you just refreshing your browser, because it'll be stuck on that. I've had it before. It'll be stuck for days if you don't. New moon bullish energy. Yeah, I don't know about that, dude, but I do know about potential confirmation lows at pattern completion zones that are confluent with inflection points from history. Those are nice things. And I'm telling you, like I was saying yesterday, day before, I mean, it's crazy how BNB has developed an edge and a stronger bullish argument than you had even in September, when this was a valid trade setup, a beautiful falling wedge, right? 4 hour divergence. You were playing the 4 hour, not even the daily. This is like a daily edge. The daily is set up for much higher prices. So if the TA is respected, right, which Bitcoin broke out, man, unless something cataclysmic happens to this Bitcoin rally and you start falling back below 40K, this is the bottom on BNB, right? You just don't know until you start catching some bids. And look at the positive momentum. It has just begun to build. So you could imagine where that could go, like another histogram island, bunch of wicks together. This is gorgeous, man. All right, so BNB and then XRP up 8%. Bullish engulfing candle will be confirmed in 1 hour and 1 minute. 1 minute, whatever. Hidden bullish divergence on the higher low. Continuation implied. Your target here on XRP, first one's $1, second one's $1.29, $1.30, and then third target $1.50, right? Or you could say $1.41, whatever. But you're like, all the right things are happening, right? 886s, confirmation lows, divergence on daily oscillators, all these things, right? Aggregate of variables combined, they're good. They've been here. Yesterday was scary. Today was nice. Oh, can I get a decibel check? Is it too loud? It might be good. Let me know. Thank you. Okay, so XRP looking like a snack, like others. So over 8%, but barely even. Looks like it. Audio's okay. Okay, and then we go to XRP. Is it Cardano next? Yeah, Cardano. Cardano breaking the little supply line. Trying to get back above at least one little support. There's so much work to be done on this, man. It's up 10.5%. Bullish and golden candle confirmed in an hour. But yeah, you got to get back above $1, dude. Like, it's hard to even be bullish above $1 because just the lower highs, lower lows. This thing is just downtrending, man. It's just downtrending. Its most recent event, the lowest low. So, you know, compare this to like Bitcoin or even BNB or Ethereum. What are they doing that Cardano's not doing? They're making like confirmation lows and they're higher lows technically, even where traders settle up. And this one's like making a lower low than the previous lows. It's just not as good of an argument, even though, of course, it's going to rally because Bitcoin, Ethereum, those are the macro coins. Those are the bigger coins that drive the market. This is just going to, you know, ride the coattails. So cool story. I'm just looking at it because it's a large market cap, one of the large crypto cap coins, right? So cool story, bro. It's not really that special, but yeah, it's breaking out of a local supply line, sure. Meh. Okay. So let's just take a look. KNC up 26%, breaking a resistance, chat.
Oh, would you look at that?
Or attempting to, right? It's attempted to a multitude of times, but maybe this time it's different. I really like it because it seems that you confirmed just recently, like maybe less than an hour ago, you confirmed a partial decline, right? It was a potential partial decline. When you get to it, it becomes confirmed. When it's confirmed, it's a 7% chance of a breakout. You're beginning to break out already, like, you know, less than an hour to go. So, you know, if you rally here, I mean, you could be seeing $3. You could be seeing $3. Just a daily candle high close back from March of last year. So we'd be going on nearly, well, it's just a peak, and there's clearly...
Happy birthday to me. Bitcoin breakout birthday hype.
Happy birthday, Jupe, dude.
Is that a join?
Thank you, man. It's done.
Yo, Mitch, it's Don from Crypto Glasgow, waving, LFG Bitcoin, rocket, thanks for the streams today, clapping, see you soon, bro.
What's up, Don, man? From Crypto Glasgow on Instagram. Those are my boys. Those are the only people that ever plugged me or anything, dude. Only people that, like, gave me clout, like, ever on that platform. So, thank y'all. And, yeah, I will be going to England this spring and going to be hanging out with those guys. Other people. Going with my friend, too. So, going to a Liverpool match. And they just won the cup or whatever, Champions Cup. So that'll be even more exciting now. So thank you, dude. Cheers. Crypto Glasgow on Instagram. Go check them out if you are an Instagrammer. Okay, practical, useful information. They don't scam. They're just, you know, just trying to help people enter the marketplace, the crypto market, right? That are newer. Need more of that because, you know, think about all the scammers, and there's like people like them. and trying to be people like me and Crown, right? Trying to help, but it's just there's so many more scammers. So anyway, what was it? Would you say? Thanks for the 1,533 people here. Bitcoin's pulling back, so you know, I mean, it got as high as 44,226. We know all about the 44, 44, 4, 4, 4 repeating, of course, right? That resistance that you didn't even touch yet. But that's okay. I mean, when you get this high, man, you can't really expect Bitcoin to be going up more than 15% a day. I mean, come on. What's it going to do? Go up another 5% here? I just think it's kind of limited on the day. But hey, then we're looking at KNC up 25.7%.
Just hopped on. What a day.
It's been a while, man. Yeah, what a day for the history books. Good God. Crazy. What a breakout. This is such a massive breakout. And you got to feel confident because the second bottom, the confirmation low. Hey, it's Crypto Hoarder, man. Dude, no doubt, man. No doubt.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $116.03. I'm usually here to bring up moral during dumps. It never hurts to see a pump.
Never.
0.0400000088.
It never hurts, right? Hype in the chat. The king is here, cause Crypto Hoarder. I don't know. You said you weren't able to watch. Found out, as I had expected, that Moonboy has retired. So the prize fighter hung it up, man. His gloves are on the wall, and he's no longer training for battle. Okay, so just want to let you know, because you were asking for a fight, and can't supply it now, unfortunately. But thanks, man. Okay, so that's KNC. We're just looking at notable gainers. We got to look at Luna, because someone just said Luna surpassed. Let's look at the CoinMarketCap. I'm just gonna look at it myself. I mean, y'all don't need to see it. It's all good. Y'all should see it though. It's pretty amazing. Look at this, dude. Luna moving up in the top 10 rankings. Cardano's a joke. Wow, what a joke, Cardano. This is what happens, Larry, when you don't do anything and you always underperform since September. So Luna, congratulations. AP top 10. You're ranked number 7. You've got an awesome offense. One of the best prolific offenses in all of crypto right now, okay? Tom Brady at the helm, it looks like. Bullish engulfing candle confirmed in 53 minutes and 55 seconds. And you're breaking that high from January 15th and probably on your way to $100. And as we were talking about, if Bitcoin actually was bottoming out, because it could have been because of the potential double bottom going on, now we're gaining lots of confirmation, right? We didn't know yet yesterday or the day before or the day before that. But we said if that was the bottom for Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Luna's going to be going all-time highs. Luna's going to 120, probably 140. It's such a massive outperformer. And XRP, you're next. It's only like, like 5 billion off? 4 billion off? Yeah, dude, XRP, you can be in trouble. I think if Luna's at 120, then it's over. Then Luna is number 6. And that means it would be, forget the stable coins. That means Luna would be the number 4 crypto in the world in market cap. It's incredible, dude. All right, so just had to look at it. Beautiful. The Gartley and then the Gartley again. What a beast. Holding above that 200 moving average and kind of a type 2 return from one low to the second low. Fantastic, man. When everything was just getting beaten down. It was getting beaten down, but not much, and couldn't fall below that critical support at 43.85. Wonderful, dude. Theta up 18.65%. Incredible, dude. Wow. Well, I mean, there was an edge. There was an inflection point. There was an aggregate of variables at this level, this high back from January of last year. One time, no one knows. Nice rally. What was once resistance, support became resistance. He rolled over, and what'd you do? You hit that level the second time. The second time, market participants gain more confidence to believe a truer bottom is in. So, engulfing candle in 52 minutes, like all of them, right? They're all engulfing. And this would probably take you to $4 next. And then, you're going to have to break your neckline of the potential double bottom 440. You break that. You could do you talk about a measured move, but anything above $4 is spectacular. based on historical price action, like straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. You could imagine if it gets above $4, it could go straight up again. It could double in value, $8 plus. So rejoice. Potential double bottom still in development. You got a long way to go though before it's actually confirmed. You got to break 443. What a day. What a freaking day, man. Okay, so did we have an actual request? There's just, what are we gonna look at stocks for? I mean, the index funds. This is not an index. I mean, this is across the markets, but I did go live early technically, even though it is regular stream time now. If you missed it, I was live for about 3 hours this morning covering the initial stages of this pump, and now we're covering the latter stages of the pump of the impulse candle. Wow. Good stuff, man. Sorry, I'm taking a look at chat for a second. Happy to see y'all in here. A lot of new faces, a lot of faces I've never seen in my life. Let's see some I have. Subzachary. Oh, Wayne Benson, what's up, dudes? Fundamental news? Does it have to be fundamental? I mean, doesn't have to be. You know, so hey, let's take a look at some more coins, right? While we're here, another asset that was set up perfectly, right? Come on, man. Come on. The bullish butterfly type 2 return, bullish divergence on both oscillators, positive momentum just beginning to build. And where was all this happening? Well, it happened to be a critical level that goes all the way back to September of 2017. That's what we're talking about. This is technical analysis. This is what I try to teach here. It doesn't always play out. Sometimes, and it may not play out here. It could roll over. It could make a lower high. We never know. We never act like we know if something's going to reverse, but we can certainly identify areas and the things that we want to see at those areas for actionable longs that are low risk, right? Where you're very close to that level because you know below it, you don't really want much to do with it because it could fall to much, much lower prices. But this is great. 170.60 right now, 13% up, and there could be a lot higher prices in store for this asset. If the TA is respected, nice butterfly. Very good, man. But I'm sure, like there were a good amount of these that, you know, it was crazy though. Some were not really good at all, and you know, like, and they pumped, and then like, you know, you're just not gonna have like a really amazing holy grail looking setup on every coin, but some will develop those, and this happened to be kind of one of those. It could be better though. I mean, it really could be a little bit better, where it's not an extension harmonic, it's a 886 or 786 retrace instead of a 1272, because it's like lower lows. You want the higher lows. ZRX, I think, was another. Yeah, ZRX, really, it's only at 9%, and it's going to engulf 48 minutes, but it's kind of the same thing. It's like you're at kind of a major inflection point, a zone from history from years ago, and you're trying to confirm the bottom around the pattern completion zone, and you are showing seller exhaustion, just like the others, right? And we looked at some of these. And you want to look at something that's almost identical. XLM, there it is. It's the same picture. Same picture. It's the 113, the pattern completion zone of the bullish shark, type 1, type 2, type. Where is this all happening? It just happens to be at a critical level that goes all the way back to 2018. The divergence, everything coming together, the stars aligning. But in reality, don't get cocky, kid, because it's barely done anything. Like, if this is going to play out, it should go substantially higher from where it is now. We don't know. We don't know if it will. We didn't know if it was going to reverse here. You can't be arrogant and think that, okay? Too many variables. That's okay, though. You know, it's like, that's the mentality to have. No expectations, because if something goes awry, it does not trigger a negative emotional response in your brain. So you can stay clear-headed. Jesus Child, let's go, dude. Thank you so much, Kaka.
Can we check BRD/USD, please? You nailed it. 0.50000000 LTC.
We'll look at BlackRock depths. to the US dollar. Anyone got a survival rate, somebody?
32.33, repeating, of course.
Thank you. We'll check it out. I think that was the only request today. Well, of this stream anyway, right? Let's see.
Near/used. How is that looking, champ?
Oh, what's up, AP? We'll look at it. Thank you, man. All right. As we migrate from one decent looking setup to possibly another. Oh, it's bread. It's the bread coin. All right, man. All right. Dude, I didn't nail it. I mean, it's just like, it was the M shape, right? It was like exceeded the 886, and all we did was plot that, and it just was hanging out. Oh, it was the stair stepping, right? It was like the, it held and then it rallied engulfing and went sideways, and like, okay, cool, yeah, it could very well go higher from here. And where is it? It's at a major holy crap, look where bread is. 56 cents is like everything. You break 56 cents, boom, 91 cents. Look, the only thing that's ever happened in the history of this asset between 56 cents and 91 cents is straight down, up, down, up, down. Then up, down. That's it. So there's never been a time in history where it really doesn't do that. So if you break this level, have an alert set up on bread, because it's probably going to go up another 62%, and it could happen very fast. So yeah, cool that was going on. It was kind of a scuffed type 2, I guess. I didn't really, just okay, cool, it's higher lows. Looks, can't say it's not lower risk. My God, can only go to 0. So there you go, Kaka. Thank you, man, for the Litecoin contribution. Let's go. Very nice. Let's go to the next request. We have 2 today. Interesting. Ooh, my God. Here's near. Look at that demand line from way back from yesteryear, July of 2020. You're trying to hold on, aren't you? You're up 10% on the day. Definitely bullish divergence. And it's going green. Positive momentum beginning to build. Bullish engulfing candle confirmed. 44 minutes. With this one, I mean, is it dragon? I mean, you could maybe start looking at it like it's dragon, but it's really like maybe one of those, it kind of reminds me of the index funds, doesn't it? Like the NASDAQ or the S&P, where you just have this going on here. Yeah, it's like a 1414, and then, minimum 786. It's possible, I mean, with the divergence. But, I think there's a lot of work to be done. I think it's cool that you're getting back above the demand line, but let's get back above this candle high close from September of last year. I'll feel a lot better about that. It's one of those where it's like, it's cool, it's making a higher low. Look, it's a shark. It really is. It's like kind of just from the low, look, the X, the A, the B, the C, and then D. Look, we're bottom out at, man. Can anyone here surprised?
Super chatted $54.24. Love to meet up when you're in the UK, Mitch. Crypto Consultants UK on a DMDU. A-OK hand.
I know, wild man. That sounds good. Thank you, dude. We'll explore all avenues of English meetup or just a European meetup when I get there. Because I'm going with my friend, like one of my best friends, but he's not staying as long as me. And, he just can't, time. He doesn't have the time for it, and I do. So I'm going to, make it maybe it might be a couple weeks. I don't know. That's the beauty of it, right? I just bring my laptop and we can do traveling TA in England, mate. So, what a reaction, huh? How about a nice reaction at the pattern completion zone of a bullish shark? It's not random. This is real. 886. When is someone going to get 886 tattooed to their body? I'm waiting for it, all right? So, if the TA is respected here, you catch a stronger reaction. Then what? This is not much of a reaction, right? This is like, okay. Even if it's going to do a type 1, it's probably going to rally at least 38%. From the high to low, so a minimum 1241 probably coming if the market conditions stay as they are. Like, okay, like, wow, everything kind of just, Bitcoin just broke key resistance points with crazy price action. Good stuff on near. There you go, man. Not a type 2, but definitely has the makings of a Velocity athlete, as we could say, right? Okay. So what is it? Oh yeah, there are other assets doing things, man. You think that's it? No, wait, there's more. Whew. So which ones, man? Which ones? Let me, hold on, I'm looking around. I'm looking for the ones, dude. Because there were ones that were like set up for higher prices, right? Like Monero, XRP. I'm looking, hang tight. God, which ones were they, man? I mean, Tron's underperforming. Oh, OXT was one. I mean, you know, OXT, same thing, right? It went to 100% retrace, but where? What's so important about it, man? The ice line that goes back to December of 2019. It holds, it holds, it holds, it holds. But what does it do? It holds once and rallies, but then it always comes back down. And then what? Makes a second low, a confirmation low every time, man. Every time. Even kind of here. One low March 2020, then a second low that's much higher in July, then Moon, right? Then you lose 88% of your value plus November 2020. And then you react off that ice line. And you hit the next level of inflection and you sell off, and what do? Confirmation low. Confirmation low. July 2021. Confirmation low is here, it seems. Where the upside could take you to 34 cents. If, I mean, why would it not? Like, something would just be off. It wouldn't repeat history if it didn't go to that next level. I mean, talking like 41% upside on OXT if it's going to do the same thing it's always ever done, which is straight up, straight down between 20 cents and 34 cents. So, there you go, man. Cool. OXT. But then there was the other one. What was it? Trade setup we posted today. It was not ONT. Yeah, ONT, not OXT, right? Yeah, ONT. Look at this, chat. Still underperforming pretty bad. It's only up 6% today. Just give it time, man. But wow. Right? Talk about what could be better than this. Like, not really. This is about as good as you can get if you're talking about low risk. Low risk areas on an asset, like going back to historical lows from December 2018, February 2019. And how you're above both of them. You got a type 2 return on a bullish shark, triple bullish divergence on the MACD. And there's just price action between this level. Come on, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. Come on, over and over. I'm a broken record doing it. So it's like I don't even have to go all the way and say it 10 million more times, but you kind of get it, right? The upside potential is vast. It could double in value if it holds this level. Because historically, that's exactly what it does when it holds this level. So why could history not repeat itself? It could. It could. And it's a low-risk area to take your chance to see if it will again. Miraculous monthly engulfing? No, I don't think so. I don't think there's any way. I don't think there's literally any way Bitcoin bullishly engulfs on the monthly. No, 38 minutes left? Nah. After it's already gone up 14%? No way. It would be, I mean, the most insane thing that's ever happened, probably. If that happened, so no. Oh my god, look, dude, it's like the days of old when everyone's spamming their favorite Beanie Babies. Come on, spam your favorite Beanie Babies, chat. I like Tabasco. The bull, you know?
Hi, Mitch. I requested alpha/USDT/BTC yesterday, but I guess you forgot. Can you comment it now, please? TNX. Love
Sure.
your work.
Sorry. I don't know. My bad, dude. My bad, man. Yeah, I did get caught up. Yeah, we'll look at it. Alpha, you're right.
Request for every altcoin, please.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Fart. I think you did. What was it? Alpha? Alpha. Okay, so it pretty. I mean, how is it up 10%? What? So we got ourselves an M shape that's exceeded the pattern. It's like violated it, right? I mean, anything 886. Look where you are. You're 100%. You're out of support. Sure, you're out of support from November 2020, July 2021. You're above it now. That's great. You're holding that, and it looks like you'll be engulfing soon. So you could say, I mean, if it's doing this for real, it's springing, like testing the spring. And look at that divergence. I mean, these are about as low of a risk area as you could ever get on an asset, right? I mean, when it's doing all this at this level, hey, what's it done before? It hit this level once and went berserk. Sold off and went berserk again. So, hey, if you're above 30 cents, you're okay on this. There could be unbelievable upside if it actually played out. If it actually regards this level of support and starts doing the same thing it's done in history, when it breaks it, yeah, it could go insanely higher. Yeah, I mean, based on history, about every single time, all it does is go to 91 plus cents if it holds 30 cents. So, but yeah, it kind of violated this harmonic pretty bad because it was just such a tip-it-off brand scrub coin. You know, the higher market cap coins aren't violating their harmonic pattern completion zones like that. This thing's so illiquid. Okay, it's 100% M shape, whatever. Okay. Yeah, hold 30 cents and could moon soon. Sure. Below that, I don't know if you want anything to do with it because eventually it could be seeing 15. You could lose half your value if you don't hold the support, which it looks like you are trying to, and you'll engulf in 35 minutes. Bullishly. Awesome. Okay. These are all pre-drawn. Nothing on here is auto-generated except the 200 moving average and the candles themselves, I guess, right? I'm not drawing the candles. Okay, there you go, Tokamon. All right, we cool? Sorry, man. Well, it's not like I had a long list of requests anyway, right? So this is stream number 2 on the day. We've been working overtime just because it's been warranted because there's just insane stuff going on. There are other coins, right? Like Bitcoin Cash. What is that? That's a textbook bullish butterfly with a type 2 return, chat. Like, what do you want? Like, what do you even, what else could you ask for? It's out of support too. Right, 1 and 2. It's kind of a shallow retrace though on the type 2. I don't know, you know, it's pretty weak, but look at this. Do you see this level, chat? October 2017. What happened back here, chat, when 2017, when it held? Look where it went. That's very real. When you broke that level, May 2019, where'd it go? Eventually went up to $500. Look what happened when it broke in January 2020. It back tested as support. Where'd it go? $500. Yeah, eventually broke in December 2020. Where'd it go? Above $500. That is your target. I mean, Bitcoin Cash, $500 target, confirming a bottom here. So yeah, divergence, very real. Positive Momo building. You get it. It's like a lot of other ones. They're better ones because they're making higher lows locally. I mean, from even your July lows. So it's there though. It's a great looking textbook harmonic. Again, the bullish butterfly with everything you can ask for. Add an ice line with divergence. Very good. Oh man. So you know, we got 33 minutes. Bitcoin's just, you know, hanging out around, you know, it's only up $5,300. Oh no, dude. When it was up over $6,000, right? Earlier. Dude, I'm just like PTSDing right now with these alerts. You never know what Crypto Hoarder's up to. He's already made his presence aware. He's made us aware to his presence. So anytime we know Crypto Hoarder might be watching, it's just like, what's up, Bravo? Yep.
Bravo tip $32. Hi, love your stream. Could we take a look at seller/USD? THNX less than 3, 0.01103270 ETH.
Yeah, we'll take a gander at it right now. Celery, decentralized celery. Okay. Yeah, let me hold on. Before I get to that one, I'm gonna go to one. I think I missed another one yesterday. I think I did. It was like at the end of the stream or something. I mean, the stream had like literally ended. Okay. So just hang tight. Not a good looking one, man. This is not like one that's like was super special, amazing, dude. I don't really, I mean, looking at this, when there's so much opportunity out there with type 2 returns at critical inflection points, I just don't care. I would look at this and be like, I don't care. I'm moving on. I'm finding something way more substance that I don't have to ask questions. Oh, do I anchor X here on the harmonic from July 2021? Or probably not. Probably down here. And yeah, it's probably at a level of deep value, great, but I just don't care because I only have a finite amount of capital, and I'm not going to settle on going long on Strong when I could go long on any other coin that's doing everything I want, everything I need. This isn't doing everything I need. It hasn't even, look, what did it do? Like, it just made the lowest low of the entire correction yesterday. And now it's engulfing. You can't even tell. Congrats on being up 13.87%, but you're below $300, which is resistance. You break that, you go to 420 probably, but you're not doing any of that. You are showing bullish divergence. Congrats on one oscillator. So you're not out of support.
Hey, I know we have looked at Hex multiple times today, LOL, but can't we check Hex/WETH?
Sure, Johnny boy. Thanks to 20 did. So I'm just like, I see it, and I'm like, okay, I'm cool. Like, I'm just not really interested. You know, like, but yeah, eventually it could start developing everything I want, or it could just have a huge green candle up. I don't really care. I'm just looking for the formula, things we can apply that we know that's the same thing over and over. It's constant. It's not here. That's okay though. Don't be offended. I'm sorry. What was it? Celery coin. Yes. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. $43,100. Just cooling off. Because what a friggin' run. Celery Network, what did it do? It literally made a full reset. And what's it doing now? I mean, it's already fallen below the pattern completion zone, really. Where I would anchor anyway. You know, it's like, it's just a bat. It's just a massive bat pattern. Yep, just a bat at the PCZ. But it fell below it. I mean, you know, your bullish engulfing candle will be confirmed. Looks like you're trying to hold some support. That's right. You see these lows back from August 2021 3 times. Trying to get back above that. I think that's a big deal. And that B point from April of 2021. Yeah, so you're getting back above some sort of level of support. And there's bullish divergence on the MACD like all these other coins. Very, very nice. Impending price action reversal implied on the daily MACD histogram. Problem is there a type 2 return? No. Yeah, value perceived areas? Sure.
What percentage are you actively trading short term versus holding mid-term? I'm 100% holding and 0 trading. Is this a mistake? Thanks for all your great advice, bro. Peace to Ukraine.
So I have a different situation where I have like an account that's been accumulating for years. So like percentage of that to what I trade, it's very minute. It's very small percentage of that. Like I just, right? I mean, how can I even answer that question when there's such a large sum in the holds? So it's, I guess to answer your questions, like maybe like 10% is trading it. Because it's like, again, that sounds like it's not a lot. That's a lot of money though. Okay, that 10% is a lot of money. And you go, oh, okay, small percentage, but I can't help that. I can't help that account that I hold has ballooned so much. It didn't used to be like that, though. I mean, it used to be like, shoot, man. Sometimes it'd be like more money traded than holding way back, but things have changed, man. When you participate in this market a long time and you have a hold account, that's what happens. That's exactly what happened. So it's like, oh, I remember back in the day, it was like having 5% of my whole portfolio in crypto, and now it's like it ballooned because of what's happened. And it's like, I mean, a lot of my whole net worth is in crypto now because of that account. It's not my fault though. I can't believe that only 10% of his crypto holdings are traded, and 90% are things. It's the amount he holds. But you know, if you laugh at that, I bet you money, the amount of money that I trade is probably more than what you're talking about, what you're even holding, to the people out there that are going to be critical about that. So anyway, I treat it like an IRA or a retirement account because I work for myself, man. I don't have that. I don't get to every 2 weeks contribute to a company match 401k. Oh, crypto hoarder in the chat. Let's go, dude. You know, that's like freaking royalty now, dude. Okay, so you celery for Bravo. You're at it, man. This is the area, okay? This is the area where you react, or you get destroyed, or you just violate it and go to 0. This is the area. It seems like a very real possibility that a major reaction occurs where you rally pretty well, okay? That's right. Bigger than yours, man. Whatever. Dude, okay, again, it's like... It's all relative to percentages, and it can sound like it's not much, but it's like, okay, well, I'm not going to discuss that part. Okay, so what was the next one? Hex to wrapped ether. Okay. Only you knew, man. Oh yeah, it's true.
Thanks, that's really helpful. That's great insight.
Thank you to Rolexies. I think that might be the next thing on the agenda to get. All right, got the penthouse, got the new BMW. Do I go with designer clothes next, or do I go with the Rolexies? Chat, what do I do? Let's see. I don't know, ask Crypto Hoarder, dude. Crypto Hoarder, what you thinking, man? Wow, it's been a while since we've been here. Last thing it did was double bottom and hit a measured move like the Jesus, dude. Wow. What did he say? He said watches. Okay. All right, Crypto Hoarder, I got you. Any recommendations? I'm sure Crypto Hoarder probably has one. Buy more guns. That's a good idea too. Get another like custom gun. Yeah. But you can't, like, you know, you can't drive around. I mean, you can drive around your car with a gun, I guess, but okay. I mean, you do that, but it's like concealed. It's not, you know, can't be flexing that. All right, I'm just talking about. So this is probably going down for a deep, you know, like an M shape. Doesn't it look like an M shape's in development here, and you just wait on this? So Manimal, thanks for being here all this time, dude.
What's going on, bub?
It's Hujare.
Take a look at $HNS handshake.
Is it decentralized handshakes, or is it just normal handshakes? Thank you, dude. We'll look. And it looks like Hujare might be the only person who might be able to stand a chance against... I don't think anyone can stand a chance against Crypto Hoarder, dude. Now with Vet Moonboy in retirement. His tyranny, man. His tyranny will not stand.
Can we also look at $ZIL too? Thanks.
Okay, so yes. Yes, we will. Thank you, Hujare. Bullish Gartlian development. I guess the pattern completion zone's right around 43.3223. Wrapped waves. So
You need to go the Folds jackets, Rolexes, Ferraris.
Ferraris. Ferrari, dude? Nah, I'm good. I'm just not into that. I'm not into Ferraris. Never been. Probably never will be, but thank you. Louis Vuitton jackets. Yeah, go that route, I guess. I like Ralph Lauren, though. I don't know. So I guess 786, you're going to be getting down to like a zone, a little zone of inflection. So I wouldn't touch it. You don't touch it right now. You just leave it alone, man. Leave Hex to Wrapped Ether alone. But maybe have an alert set up down there. And if the 786 doesn't go well, maybe the 886. You just got to wait, man. You got to wait. LeBaron? I don't know. What is that? Huh? That must be something I've never heard of. Oh, let's see here. Next request was, as you can remember, in 22 minutes total market cap. Hey, gosh dang, I forgot, man.
I like turtles.
So total market cap, bullish engulfing candle and breaking back above with a daily candle close confirmation. That's huge. That's absolutely amazing to do this. All right, and it's the same thing. It's like the Ethereum chart. This is just like the Ethereum chart. It's about the same. Just remember, it's the, we don't know on the first low, but we know on the second low. We really know when there's candles like we saw today. That's a statement candle, and the bottom could be in on this entire market based on this type of price action. I mean, for now, until something changes, dude. Handshake was next, maybe. All right. No, that's not it. Oh my God, it's decentralized handshakes. It's not normal handshakes. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is just something I'd never touch in my entire life. Like, I see this chart and I'm like, nah. Thanks. That's like, I'm just gonna get a girlfriend because I can get a girlfriend. You know, right? Just going out. Oh yeah, going on all these dates. Yeah. Let's become official. Screw it. I'm gonna settle. That's like buying HNS. All right, I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, there's just no point ever owning this. Yeah, sure. There's some bullish divergence on the MACD. It's below support resistance. Dude, I don't know, man. I just would never touch it no matter what. Like, looking at the scam wicks, the illiquidity, it's up 2%. What? No, thank you. Ever. I'm sorry, dude. It's no offense. Just awful. Just awful, dude. Okay. I'm sorry that was so quick, but, you know. Good God, man. It's just another one. It's like a butterfly. Or it's a crab. This is Zilliqa. It's doing what a lot of other ones are doing. Reminds me of Bitcoin Cash, right? Oh, that's a butterfly. Wow. Butterfly not at a pattern completion zone. Dang, man. This had... And if you want a true butterfly to hit the pattern completion zone, this needs to go a little lower. And it would be perfect. Dude, if it went to 2.6 cents, it would be... The pattern completion zone would be lined up with the inflection point from 2019. Yeah, it looks like a falling wedge or something is in development right here. Kind of locally. Sorry, butterflies are always try to go feminine colors, you know? Because butterflies are kind of feminine. I mean, no offense. Yeah, you have a really, really nice falling wedge right here on the daily. So, resolution soon. You may never get to the pattern completion zone. Man, I mean, like, for real. The divergence is so strong here, it's implying a reversal soon. From one low to the slightly lower low, almost the same low. Which is like shortening of thrust type behavior. Which is like, you know, just the momentum is so much weaker for bears on that pathetic little sell-off. So, pattern completion zone of a textbook butterfly takes you to 2.6 cents. But you're at a point where I would not be surprised at all if this thing started breaking out soon. You got 18 minutes till daily candle close, bullish engulfing candle, and you're just at that supply line. The breakout point for the supply line, or the breakout point for the falling wedge, is like 4.6 cents. So yeah, I mean, you're getting to points where resolutions soon, right? Dude, I looked at it, man. What are you talking about? Yeah, so it's the beginning of the month. So it's like tomorrow's the best day to join the Patreon. Trade setups, education, and access to, you know, just traders that are constantly have eyes on the markets looking for opportunities everywhere. Doesn't matter if it's Forex or currencies or commodities or equities or cryptocurrency. Man, it's all of it. We just respect TA. We're looking for an edge anywhere. Okay. Tomorrow. Don't join today. Join tomorrow if you're wanting to. Let's see here. So Zilliqa, there you go, right? It's pretty interesting here. That was the last request. So 17 minutes to go. What a breakout, man. Just absolutely stupendous on Bitcoin. The engulfing candle is the size of your face. It's only early in the week, man. It's only a Monday, just like last Monday. kind of. Yeah, we gotta we gotta look at that. Right, we gotta look at the U.S. dollar to the ruble, the Russian ruble. Here it is. Hit all-time highs. All-time highs, man. 105 right now. And I've never seen anything like that in my life. But, you know, I think it's happened. It happened during World War II or something psycho crazy, you know, way back. Almost 100 years ago. But 80 years ago. But yeah, I don't, based on what's going on, I don't know why this would stop. Right? It's just a fundamental thing. Like, I just don't want it to stop. But it was really cool that this M shape developed before Moon. I mean, that's textbook M shape, isn't it? Beautiful. All its glory and gone. Composite operator knew, I guess, knew an invasion was coming or something. Yeah, we could look at, I haven't looked at this before, I don't think. So the ruble to Bitcoin? Or is it Bitcoin to the ruble? Is that on the chart? It is. Oh, let's go, dude. Let's go. Oh, goodness gracious. Wow. It's not much different than the US dollar pair, right? Pretty simple. I mean, it's like almost, did it hit an 886 or 786 here?
Can we check Slapot, please?
Wow, it's like Ethereum. Interesting, dude. It's like Ethereum. Bitcoin to the ruble only retraced 78%. Did not retrace 88%. What's up, Novax? Sure. Good God. So, yeah, just you can paint it if you want. Just it's the cipher. I don't even know, man. It's kind of... No, it's still valid. It should have been, if it's a 151618, it should have been 886. It was close, man. But yeah, 786 right there. And you ended up in the end kind of getting a type 2. 1 and maybe 2, and then just highest levels since December 2nd. And you could be headed to the top, man. Headed to the top, which is 4.5 million rubles. Is that what it is? Yeah, 4.5 million rubles. Whew. All right, sweet. Yep. What was it? Oh yeah, let's take a look real quick. Like, how'd the S&P close today? So overshadowed. It was an okay day. 0.24%. Nothing happened. That's cool. Yeah, this is kind of the idea of where it could be going if it stays above 4,200 long enough. It's above the critical levels, but it's yet to make a higher high. So much more work to be done. You got to break a supply line. You got to break overhead resistance, key points. You're not doing any of that yet, but you did make a piercing line, massive piercing line, bullish reversal candle, and you got bullish, very strong bullish divergence on the oscillators on the slightly lower low. So it is implying the oscillators are implying that there is more upside still, but it is yet to really happen. We'll see, right? Dow Jones, it's all similar, these index funds right now, right? It's like bullish divergence on the oscillators. You're back above critical support for now, but you haven't made higher highs yet. There's a lot more to be done, right?
Dollar Riot.
Here it is. What's up, Ageki? Yeah, we'll look at Riot blockchain. Here's all the data. So you're above support. You're safe for now until you fall below 33.33, repeating, of course, whatever. And then NASDAQ, that's below all its critical support still. It's on its way. It's trying. It was up 0.41% today. Massively well developed, hit classic divergence and a piercing line reversal a couple days ago. And you're probably headed to 14,171 to at least test it. Okay. And then Russell 2000 that looked like it was just double bottoming. We looked at these today on stream, the earlier stream. And yeah, bullish divergence and a bullish engulfing candle, type 2 return of reciprocal ABCD. You're gonna probably go test 2087 again. Don't know if you'll break it this time, but if you do, it'll be pretty much a confirmed double bottom and you rally, and there's most of the time historically you run up to at least, I guess, 2277 if you break back above 2087 long enough. So there are those. There are your index funds. We'll look at gold real quick. You know, this is more of a crypto stream, so and I'm keeping my eye on Bitcoin. But hey, gold's back to bullish engulfing candle on the daily confirmed. All right, gold's still a safe haven asset, and it's Composite Man has accumulated his position or reaccumulated, because guess what? They accumulated initially, and then they reaccumulated. Central banks down here bought like $160 billion worth of gold, and then $10 billion worth of bonds during that time. I remember that. But now reaccumulation. You can clearly see the signature of the reaccumulation with the higher lows constantly. And then you're back testing levels as support. Very good. Probably way more upside in time if you're patient. And you have to be patient if you want golds, right? If you want gold to give you yields. Same with silver. Must be patient. Daily candle close above the 200-day moving average. You know, kind of little sketch MACD histogram. The way it looks, like kind of like Class B bearish divergence, but either way, I'm not really concerned about silver till it falls below $23. Until then, I'm bullish. I'm bullish as crap on silver. But we've been that way. We like every day we're live, right? And stuff like develops. And you don't know. Now all of a sudden you feel confident in it. Okay, for more upside. I mean $26 to $30 eventually. How did Platinum do? Platinum's amazing, right? That one's like, hey, it's above support. Is it still above support? It didn't have a very good day today. Maybe it needs to test the supply line that broke. But you're still okay. You had the bearish divergence on the MACD. That's maybe just catching more follow through, but you're okay. I mean, this thing is above such a certainly critical area. I mean, look, I mean, it goes down to 1030 and it's still fine. That's a big part of like that zone of inflection. But yeah, you want to get back above that 1050, that 2006 low, because above that area is where insane things happen. So yes, very confident in Platinum for much higher prices. It's amazing. Let me just, dang, dude, if I adjust this perfectly, you actually aren't breaking out. My God, dude, you up thrust. You did break out 1 and 2, and then you're below it. But that's okay. Keep your eye on the horizontal line. Support for now. Dang, okay. So it is back to Bitcoin, man. Where it's like based on this histogram on the daily, the party's just begun on this. That's what that's saying. If it's real, the party has just begun on Bitcoin. We've already looked at ONT. Yeah, we didn't have data. We didn't have data that there was a bottom. There was no data that a bottom was in yet. There was a war going on, a war breaking out last week. You had massive breakdowns on index funds. I mean, it's kind of hard to be like, oh, these are incredible conditions. We needed the dust to settle a little bit. I mean, like, God. Yeah, dude. Jazz me, man. So I just had readjusted, and for you're like, you know, this is something newer to everyone. I did this, and I streamed it today on the earlier stream, but just wanted to like see, like, you know, 1 and 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top, and you got some really nice touches in this equidistant channel, and you breached it, right? So you're headed probably to 2 trillion again. I mean, you can follow me on TradingView, but like everything I publish is private, so. So we got 8 minutes, okay? 8 minutes till your monthly candle close. Just gonna run out the clock now. You know, we got assets up all over the place. You know, KNC up 27%, Luna's up 25%, Theta's up 22%, Atom's up 17%. Yeah, you got a lot of assets up for sure. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yep. Thought I did that. I just was panic streaming because where is it? Okay, yeah. Here's a Discord link. If you're in here, like, join the Discord because like I might be going live again tomorrow in the morning or something. It just depends on the price action. But YouTube will let you down. YouTube will not notify you when I go live every stream. It won't, especially if it's twice a day. If I go live multiple times, no way. So if you're in the Discord, you will certainly be notified when I go live. And again, spamming it. It's pinned now. You get it, right? And tomorrow, Red Day, sure. I mean, why not? Like, well, you spend 24 hours just chilling, back testing the breakout that you're about to confirm in 6 minutes, right? Yeah, we're almost there, chat. We're almost there. Thanks for the 1,366 tuned in. We're at 634 likes. I think we can get up to probably 700 likes really fast. We have the power to do it, don't we? It's day 110 since the last Hey song. Dang, dude. 110 days since Hey. Hey, right? Yeah, I think Bitcoin's similar to silver. Yes. Yes. In its own way. Like, not exactly. But yeah, it's very similar, right? Where silver, what? Bottom of a trading range. It's been in for a year and a half. Check. Bitcoin, same thing. Bottom of a range has been in for over a year. And then what happens? A massive supply line. You broke it. And then you started selling off and created a little M shape, 886 retrace. That's the same thing as silver. Silver made one more low, though. One more higher low. I don't know if that's going to be the case on Bitcoin.
Alt pump day tomorrow.
Could be. Yeah, maybe. But, dude, I don't know, man. Things up 20%. They're probably going to be down 3 to 8, 10%, you know, like on a pullback. After a day like this, man, you cannot expect anything crazy tomorrow like this. Even though it could, because you just broke out. I'm optimistic. If we're above 40K, but really 42K, I'm in good spirits on Bitcoin. And after first time, second time, yeah, second time, the bottom's in. What happened, Crypto Hoarder? Oh, like the stream, or he will wreck you. He will. Crypto Hoarder, could you get me wrecked, man? I bet you couldn't. All the freaking pings, man. Holy crap. All right, there we go. You got some yeah, people joining the Discord. Thank y'all. Going on 14,000 members strong for 10 years now. That's okay. We'll get there. He was gonna dump what? You are friend, not foe. You can get wrecked in a positive way, though. You should know that, man. Like, I don't know, dude. If we can get 1,000 likes, I might start drinking a beer, or not a beer, but maybe something that's alcoholic. It's just, you don't have to care about what it is. 1,000 likes. I think we can do that, but I'm going to put a time limit on it because it has to be a challenge. Okay. So, let's do 1,000 likes in until you know what? It'd be 1,000 likes before the monthly candle close. That's it. I think that's doable. We have literally 2 minutes 30 seconds to get 1,000 likes, and then the drinking begins, I guess. Right? We gotta do something, man. We gotta break this 1,000 like drought streak. You know. I think that's fair. I think that's like reasonable. You know. 880. I mean, 880 with 2 minutes left. 908. It's done, dude. I'm screwed. This aggression will not stand, man. I feel like Putin invading right now. Just wrecked. Did not expect that. 9-4. Oh no, could we have less than 2 minutes? So you're local on the 8s. Oh my god. Nothing stops this trade, including an invasion of a sovereign country in Europe. Wow. Yeah, you're running out of time. 986 likes. Oh, not 9 likes to go. I might as well just leave. I might as well just go get it because it's done. Yep. I mean, like, if 1 minute 20 seconds goes by and we don't get 1,000, there it is. 1,000 likes. We did it. Jesus chimes, chat. Jesus chimes. I'm not gonna get the alcohol until the monthly closes, okay? So we can play double Jesus chimes. All right. 1 minute till a daily candle close, bullish engulfing candle confirmation above critical areas. That is huge. This is huge. Well, it will be. This is how it starts. Hey, baby. It gets larger. Sorry. 36 seconds. We're running out the clock. We're going to go to the monthly right now. And so you can see it take out, I mean, monthly, there, this is it. You know, it would have taken literal miracle, like to engulf. There's no way. But I think it's a good start. It's a good start closing above this level here. 35K. Twice now. You're confirming the bottom's in. One time you don't know. Second time you do. Maybe. All it took was the threat of alcohol consumption. I don't know if we call it a threat, dude. Was I threatening alcohol consumption? I don't think so, dude. Jesus chimes for the new month that ended. Blockbuster performance. Wow. It's like a drama. Bitcoin is an effing drama. But somehow it's like a drama where the good guy always wins, right? It's like the epic. Not over yet. I know. It never is. There's always a new part of this story that never ends. But we did it, chat. A new month. It is now March. Officially universal time. And it is officially time to get an alcoholic beverage. So hang tight. Just a minute. I'll be right back. We're going to keep this going. Yeah, don't threaten me with a good time. That sounds better.
I just felt like
Screaming. Is that what it was? Sorry, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm back. How's it going, everybody? Yeah, I gotta get some more beer. Gotta get some more beer here, because I'm running out of champagne bottles. But you gotta get rid of all these champagne bottles at some point, man. I don't know. And really, like, what is more appropriate than champagne right now anyway? You know, for our world? Kind of nothing. Ugh. Oh, yeah, dude. Oof.
Colon knife.
Well, the beauty is, Etern, I'm glad people don't even know about that anymore. It's kind of like what was once reality became myth. What was myth became legend. And some things that were not meant to be forgotten were forgotten. That's the 25 and that, whatever you just did. I'm not going to talk about it. Cheers. Let me pop the... All right, this one's for the monthly close, chat, and it was a bad one, and then it became real good. Let's go, dude. I'm legit. Where's Drink Troll? He retired, dude. This is the core guy. All right. Let it begin. Let it begin. The pop gave you chills? What was I doing? I just like blew on my drink like I needed to cool it down. This one's devoted to y'all. Yeah, they don't remember. They don't remember, Jeff. Heck, I don't even think Crypto Hoarder knows about it. Okay, so cool stuff on the close, on the monthly, the daily. Ethereum, let's go check out. Inverse damage assessment. Already at 0.75% on the new day, like nothing. Like it was a joke. Very good. Upside potential is insane. All you gotta do is just crack this resistance. You want to eventually make a higher high than your previous highs. But and we had already discussed early in the stream the sheer outperformance of Bitcoin to Ethereum, right? Where on their own charts compared to their own previous highs, Bitcoin is literally like 2% away, and you've got like Ethereum that's like 8% away. So a lot more work to be done on Ethereum. That means there could be a lot more upside. It could catch up, you know. But gotta love Ethereum on the daily rejecting 40. That's so good. That is so good when you reject 40. You reject 40. You reject 40. You reject 40. When you get back above it, you get fall below, you get back above it, really good things can happen. So solid. Yeah, like right now on the new day, Ethereum's outperforming Bitcoin marginally. It's sparkling wine, yeah, because it wasn't made in France or whatever. What a joke. Yeah, Crown Royal's okay. I had a Crown and Coke this weekend at the hot wing eating thing. You know, I ate a 2 million Scoville hot wing this weekend. 2 million. I don't know if I recommend it, but I'd challenge you.
USD, please, and spin the chug wheel, please.
I don't think you can do both, man. What is that? What is that? Spin the wheel, risk your liver, and do a request. Get out of here, man. What is this? Come move in, too. Cabo. Thank you, dude. You want CRB or you want to spin? Which one you want, Dalal? Dude, what is going on, man? Okay, yeah, we'll look at CRB, though. Sure. Did I have any other requests? Let's check this out. I don't think so. Accumulation on the monthly. Gergo, yeah. Yeah. I mean, look, just remember this. You can't ever, like, ignore this, okay? Let's go to the weekly. And you tell me, chat, what was the most recent discernible 2 events on this chart? I'll tell you. The most recent discernible event is a higher low than your previous low. What was the most recent event before the higher low than your previous low? It was the highest low of all time on the weekly. Before that, the highest high of all time. It's kind of tough to be like, the trend's really, really long-term bearish now. Everything's over for Bitcoin when your 2 most recent events are the 2 most historically best things to ever happen on the chart. The highest high and the highest low. Right? We say higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. But there's also the highest high and the highest low. So those are the 2 things that have been going on. And you're beginning to pivot. Catch any fall through here. It is like that confirmed bottom. And yes, more upside. So long-term uptrend still technically intact. SLP was a request. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let's go to it real quick. Liver to the ruble dumping. No, it's actually not. Nothing can dump to that pairing. My liver is actually pumping to the ruble. It's like up 100%. So you're right. Thank you, dude. SLP was requested earlier before the 1,000 likes. Thank y'all so much. That's incredible. It's been a minute. This is a SLP major loser. I remember last time we were here.
Fiverr/rub dumping.
Yeah, I almost got triggered last time we were here, and it was like, who cares? Loser. Still a major loser, and who cares if it goes up? It is a massive loser. Why would you put money in SLP when you could put it in something else not looking like a massive loser? All it does is lose, lose, lose no matter what. Got homelessness on my mind. Whatever that song is, it's the inverse of that DJ Khaled song. DJ Salad. There's nothing to analyze here, dude. What do you... Oh my god, maybe it makes a higher low here. Who cares? Yeah, we'll get uni. It's at a pattern completion zone of a harmonic, like a butterfly. We were looking at it earlier on the day stream. I just don't know what you want. Like, this is so bad, dude. So bad. I would never own this, ever. I don't care what it ever does. It's going to do a lot of things for me to like this. You don't buy it, you just earn it. Wow, it sounds like worse than the US dollar. I mean, you know, or as bad as the US dollar. I buy it, or I earn it, and then it depreciates in value. So SLP, why does it even exist when you could just collect dollars and it's the same outcome? Okay, there's your SLP. Sorry. Oh, Riot for Hageki too. He requested that. Sorry. Oh, I love it, man. I freaking love it. Let's go. Type 2 returning. I mean, possibly. It's trying to type 2. It's kind of like a mix of harmonics. I don't know. It's 70% retrace. Whoops. Yeah, kind of like trying to hold this one little level here. Dang, man. This is it. This is all you got to your name until much lower prices. What's up, Ahmad? Yeah, we'll look at it. We looked at it on the day stream, but okay. If we're above 1684 on Riot, you're in good shape. This is a very interesting level, right? It's a swing low from history where when it pivoted here, it rallied. What happens when you break back above it? You bullish engulfing candle today. I would say the upside, if you stay above 1684 long enough, you're going to 2279, 2378. Above, and now that's a big question. I don't know. Like, if you get there, you could reverse there. But let's just say it did hold. Let's just say this 1684 held. Your upside potential is 29 to 37%. Just to go to the next level, if that makes any sense, right? Straight up, straight down, straight up. Straight down. Okay, then straight up. Yep. You ever break 2378? Forget about it. Could very well go to $40 fast, because that's all it does. In between 2378 and $40, what happens? It's a straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight down, or straight up, straight down affair. That's all it does. So, could be trying to bottom out here on Riot. I think it's in good shape. If Bitcoin is bullish, Riot blockchain is bullish. Okay. So speaking of Bitcoin, highs of the new day. Up $350, up 0.89% and climbing 1% now. Oh my goodness. You know, whatever. Kind of scale down on the other screen. Not trying to be over dramatic here, but whatever, man. And then you got Ethereum up 1.54%, outperforming Bitcoin. What is going on with Neo? Why is Neo up 8% on the new day? What is happening here? Holy crap, man. See, this one didn't quite get to its pattern completion zone. Right, it was close, but it gets too strong. It was real close. But look, I mean, type 1, type 2-ish behavior on Neo. Right here. 1. No one knows. 2. Everyone knows. And your upside probably $31.53. Nice. I just saw that. I'm like, what? Why 8%? What? 8% up in 12 minutes. Nice. That's a good... It's like the Russian ruble yesterday. I made that meme. It's like 1% a minute. Stream Elements link is in the description below. If you want to tip in crypto, it's the 1UP coin. Okay. Okay, so that's... we're going to... CRB next. Yep, CRV was the next one. Actually ended up getting a few of them. Not liking this one. I like the divergence is okay. The divergence on CRV is okay, but that's about it. Is it at a critical area? Nah, not really. Nice and golden candle yesterday. Okay, show me a coin that didn't do that. I mean, think just from your previous low to high here. I would say wait for 169. I mean, maybe you could try to look at it like a cipher, but I just, to me, this doesn't stick out as great. Yeah, you could definitely make a lower low double bottom and rally here because the rest of the market does, but we're looking for, we don't have to settle, right? Remember, we don't have to settle because there's thousands of assets to scan, to look for. So I would just, no action to take on CRV even if it rallies here because there's just better assets. Better assets, man. Jalab, I'm in a good mood, man. You got me in a really good mood. And it's only because I like you, okay? Get wrecked anyway, dude. Get wrecked anyway. Okay, yeah, I would wait, man, till 169. Even though you're diverging, you could catch a rally here. But it's your most recent discernible event on this chart is the lowest low of the correction. It's not that great. They're not all gonna be actionable. They're not all gonna look great. That's why you have to scan. You have to work. Look for them. The next one was Uni, which is okay. I think it's type 1 though. It's not Uniswap. There it is. Look, it's a 1272 butterfly. Beautiful. Bullish divergence at the pattern completion zone, or at least the 1272. That's it. You know, I thought it'd be a 1414 could be better, but not. I mean, it's really kind of like CRV in ways where. Is it making like, is it doing a theta? Is it doing a Bitcoin or Ethereum or BNB? No, it's making a lower low. So you can't, Uni is definitely in value perceived zone. I mean, between the 886 and 786, but, what's up, Wood Division champ?
Quit my job at McDonald's today. Told my boss I might be back tomorrow.
Yeah, you might, dude. Just don't burn any bridges at McDonald's, okay, dude? There's good people over there, but I know the staff. I know Michael Saylor. He also quit today. He also quit. That's crazy. Can't believe y'all quit on the same day. Yeah, so Uniswap at an area where a major reaction could occur, but that's about it. Yes, you're diverging. I mean, the oscillators are set up to where it makes sense. Like, if you see an asset at a 1272 fib extension and it's showing divergence like this, just happens to be an M shape, or yeah, an extension M shape. You can't be surprised if it reacts and rallies more, okay? But it might sell off again to make a double bottom or something.
Catching up to the King Cream.
Oh yeah, is that true? Yeah, Cream, man. Cream went nuts. What was it 3 days ago? It was the Cream. Okay, Cream. And, you know, you could look at this too, like, of course, like a falling wedge maybe of some sort, you know, just, you can kind of see it. I mean, that type of downsloping price contraction, maybe it's not really, but resolution looks like it's coming on Uni at some point, but you want the type 2, you don't really have it. You know, you're looking for, here you go, like theta. Theta maybe isn't so much of a harmonic as it is. It was close. But I like Theta. I think Theta is pretty interesting chart. Right here, okay? So it's like, did Theta make a lower low than its previous low? No. Already better than Uni. Already better than whatever we looked at before that. CRV. So it's trying to confirm a bottom at an inflection point from January of last year. First time, no one knows. Nice rally. Then you hit the inflection point, and it's a resistance. What was once support is resistance. You reject it and you sell off. But what do? You test the same level again. And on the second test, sellers are implying they're somewhat exhausted. They cannot muster enough of their supply to push the price lower than that inflection point. So they relent. And a massive engulfing candle is beginning the potential reversal. or you'll probably go test 372 to $4 again. I don't know if you'll break it. We never know if an asset's gonna actually break resistance. But if it does break that, I would imagine 550. 550 a peak from December 29th, and it's a 50% retrace from previous high to low. So it's attempting to bottom out here. It's no longer making lower lows, lower highs. It's only making the same low, which is okay. It could be better with a higher low, you know. Oh, here you go. I mean, like, one drink down, man. It was that easy. Easiest drink of my life. Thanks again for the 1,000 likes that ushered in the beginning of the drinking. So, should I get any more? Should I drink any more, or is it over? Was that it? Well, doesn't look like it's over. Oh my god. Dude, you're right on cue, dude. Are you serious? Like, last sip taken, and then, just like that... Over the jar!
Shipping coupons in the stock market. Bruh.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $515.36. Coin flip. Get tracked. Do it for me. Pretty sure I was the top tipper for February. Smile. 0.175000000 ETH.
I don't know, that's debatable, Crypto Hoarder. I don't know. We have to check the facts on that. Yeah, you were, of course. Okay. This is tails with all the white and red, and this is this heads because the horse head, right? Okay. If I drop it, hold on. This. Nice. Get wrecked, dude. I'm sorry, but thank you. Wow. Boom. Cue the Reuters fact checker, dude. No needs. No propaganda here, man. The only propaganda here is for trying to be positive and invest in yourself, and if that's propaganda, I'm all in on propaganda then.
Evening, Mitch. Mind taking a look at WLL? Bullish cipher on the daily? Thoughts long term? Clinking beer mugs, clinking beer mugs, clinking beer mugs.
3 clinking beer mugs, which is 6 beers, Jeffrey. Thank you for the 6 beers. Much love, man. Yeah, there's more upside on Theta. Let's go ahead. Theta, and then coin flip, and then WLL. We're keeping up. The Whiting Petroleum Corporation. No way. Oh yeah, of course there was. A little late for that now, though, isn't it? It's over. It's like, you missed it, man. He's just talking about right here. This is WLL. It's almost not. It's close to not being one, but yeah, it's a 786, man, with just a reaction. You know, I mean, just insane. What an uptrend. Yeah, this is like Luna. It's like a Momo harmonic. It's not a value harmonic. It's just like, there's just, all it does is make higher highs, higher lows, and all of a sudden, just the M shape is in the middle of it all and just actually plays out. The Momo Harmo, or something like that. I don't know. Try to think of a catchphrase for it. I don't know. Yeah, nice reaction. And who knows where this is going? Probably could test $80 again, you know? Oh, there's so much carbonation in this, man. It's like, it's too many bubbles, dude. Okay, what were you saying, though? What were you saying about it? The bullish cyber on the daily. Thoughts long term? Where is all the data? What's going on? Is that real? Dude, there's no way. Did it get listed? Like, legit? I don't know what all this is. This might have been education. Maybe data got erased. I'm looking here and I'm listening and I see nothing. If this is all I have on the chart, which is weird. Did it split maybe or something? Maybe it split. That's what will happen. You know, I'm scared. Anytime I get an alert now on my phone, I'm like, hang tight, chat. Somebody get all stupid up in here. Try to mess with this. Let's try the anchor on the other side. How about even that? Let's try this. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty interesting there. Oh, I kind of like that. He's a good holder, man.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $506.19. Flip one more time. After that I will show mercy. Smile. 0.172000000 ETH.
I don't know what mercy means for you, Crypto Hoarder. Because you're quite merciful. You're a lot less trolly than BetMoon Boy was. Alright, here we go. The coin flip. Number 2. Try channel and log. Yeah, I can do that. Look how beautiful it is though in linear. It's like perfect. Alright, here we go. Get right, dude. Luck is on my side today. Yes! Sorry, man, but look, you can just keep being relentless if you want. I mean, and you don't have to show mercy, you know, because I don't need mercy, right? Chat, did I need mercy? He said one more coin flip and he'll be merciful, and it's like, I don't know. We'll see what chat says. But yeah, pretty solid channel here, breaking above the heart line, you know, and probably, I mean, the target, I guess, if it's gonna stay inside this channel, like 81.23, and that's pretty much where we were talking about, like the top of the harmonic, you know. Russia hacked the flip. Yeah, I don't think so. No, they got their own. They got way more problems than trying to hack me. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Don't get cocky, kid. Yeah, we've been there before, right? I have gotten too cocky sometimes. But you know what? It's kind of y'all's fault, right? Because imagine like being like, this guy's so arrogant and cocky, even though we got him to start drinking alcohol. And when you drink alcohol, right, everything is enhanced. Your testosterone and your right, it's enhanced, so it's like you're gonna have lower inhibition, so you're gonna be cocky. That's the whole point of alcohol, is getting cocky, man. Nice run on WLL in the chat. I think that was the last request. Yep, that was the last formal request, so we can go back to Bitcoin for a second. Check it out, man. It's just beautiful, dude. You cannot be mad if Bitcoin goes to 42K today. That means it has to go down like $1,000+ for a formal back test of what was once resistance from history to become support. If we go down $1,000 today for the back test, please don't be scared. Don't hate the world. Don't be mad. It would be natural, all natural, to test the high from January 8th, 2021 as support. Just because market participants love it. Just like they love confirmation lows, they also love breaking resistance and then back testing the resistance just to make sure, just to confirm the validity of it as a support again before more bids come in. So just don't be that, please don't be upset. These things happen. God, I don't remember like drinking these other ones where I have to like open my mouth because there's just so much when you drink it, it's like carbonation is like your mouth just like this full of air after a sip, you know. Gail loves a cocky Mitch. It doesn't happen unless I drink. I'm not cocky unless I drink. I don't know, that hype amount was kind of meh, you know. Well, I'm gonna cleaning my glasses. Too much, yep. I don't know, man. Too much bullish residue on these glasses, man. What a substantial day. What a substantial end to the month. Like, it was just crazy, man. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of
Too early
September,
for the
October.
Hey Song?
Absolutely. Come on, AJ Productions, you know exactly when we play Hey Song. Hey Song is for 65 to 69K. It's really like when you're breaking 65K, that's when the Hey Song starts becoming a thing again. You got a long way to go. Remember, we were talking about a couple days ago, if we are in Middle Earth, this is...
The Ukraine government requested donations in crypto and many people said they had no access to banks and only had whatever crypto they had. This goes to show crypto is in fact a solution to financial issues during a crisis. And also eBay might accept crypto.
And also Russia might literally thrive on crypto, which is bad for crypto, right? That's the problem with it. It's double-edged. Like, you know, you got a tyrant pariah state that is like trying to screw Ukraine, and then they have been isolated from the world's economy, so they use it too. So it's like, I don't know. Anyway, what we were talking about 2 days ago is like, we had identified the potential confirmation low at the PCZ of the harmonic, and we're like, okay, if this is Middle Earth, we have just left the Shire. Now we have just left Bree, okay? We've left Bree, and we're on our way to, I guess, what, Rivendell or something? That's where we are now. We escaped the Nazgul. And, yeah, there's wide open spaces. I would say probably by the time we get to... I don't know, man. I guess when we get to, like, 45, 46K, we're there and we're, you know, doing that.
Guys,
I don't know.
Hiccup. Today is the best day to join Patreon. Not tomorrow. Today. Nick.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't listen to Autist Mitch Ray TA. Don't listen to him because, like, do not join today, because if you join right now, you will get, like, the billing cycle for Patreon. It's like the first of the month, right? And the first of the month is tomorrow, not today. Please don't listen to that, TTS. Thank you. Tom Bombadil get wrecked. That's like an oxymoron, Spider. Tom Bombadil literally cannot get wrecked. It's impossible, dude. But I think you knew that. It's like Jumbo Shrimp. Get wrecked, Tom Bombadil. Doesn't happen. Doesn't work. It's not really real. Okay, shrimp are like big, but they're not jumbo. Like, you can say they're jumbo shrimp because they're larger than their normal size. But, like, they're not like, oh, they're massive shrimp the size of, they're giant, man. Not really. Okay. Crypto Wars, who are you talking to, man? Like, read Crypto Wars sentence. What are you talking about?
An on token is on fire. Google.
Hey, like, who are you talking to? 'Cause, like, we're talking about, like, just crypto and Russia using crypto, and that's probably bad because the West is going to target anything that Russia tries to do to circumvent, you know, the sanctions and all that. That's all I'm talking about. Well, DD, I hope so, man. Imagine a Bitcoin stock to flow comes true. Now everyone bashed the poor guy. Well, one of his models got devastated, like absolutely wrecked, and then the main one actually was in jeopardy of getting wrecked too. Yeah, but look, dude, you bottomed out. You clearly found a bottom. Bitcoin has, just like Ethereum did on the 4 hour, on the way down in the downtrend, right? The midterm downtrend. Ethereum found a top. Ethereum found a top, a lower high top at an 886 from the previous high, and then made a lower high type 2 return. You get it? Perfect. Literally the Jesus, man. And then it dumped. And so that midterm downtrend,
Is y'all winning?
bearish harmonic in the bearish trend, then you have Bitcoin in the long-term uptrend. Long-term uptrend, because you look left, higher lows, previous lows. Yep, okay, yep, all it does is win. Okay, so it's a higher low. So flip the chart. This would be, could you imagine, this is Ethereum that I just showed you on the 4 hour. This is Bitcoin. It's the exact same thing. So this thing's gonna probably go to like 57K. If it does exactly what Ethereum did on the 4 hour, it went to the 886 on the 4. So what is it gonna do? The 886 for Bitcoin is $64,000, $64,700. Yeah, you don't believe it now. Just wait, man. Just, dude, this is so strong. That's powerful, man. An 886 and then an 886 within an 886. It's 886ception. It's valueception. Looks like I defeated a crypto hoarder, man. It seems he didn't stand a chance. Or something. 50k is Rivendell. Nah, Rivendell's like 45.6, the neckline of the potential double bottom. And then I think when you break that, you're gone. And then when you go to like 52k, you're I don't know, man. You're probably like in the marshlands or whatever, what they call the deadlands. Then 57, 58k. I don't know, man. We'll have to like do some research on this. We got to figure it out. We got to put our team on it, team of experts of Middle Earth on this to talk about what each resistance would be in Middle Earth terms. Okay. So where's Lorien? Lorien might be. Yeah, that may be a perfect 52, 53k. Lorien. Yep. And then 57, 58k could be the Deadlands, and then like 63 to 65k would be Mordor, and then above 69k is literally inside of Mount Doom, right? I think we can look at it like that. Good idea. Yep. Helm's Deep was 33 to 35. Yeah, Helm's Deep, man, down here. Well, I don't know, because Helm's Deep's, look, you got to think about, like, it's the journey, right? It's Frodo's journey. This is Frodo's journey here to Mount Doom. I mean, all these things happen on the side, right?
64,700 would mean a left shoulder of 64k. Head would be 69k and right shoulder 64,700. Possible.
Oh yeah, big head and shoulders, man. Well, just remember the weekly. And what is the weekly? The highest low of all time and the highest high of all time. Your most recent discernible events. Okay. Well, yeah, inside of Mount Gox, not Mount Doom. Okay, we'll change it for the memes. Certainly the memes, man. We just made it out of Moria? No. We're not there yet, man. I don't think we're at Moria. Are we? Moria is going to be 44k, right? No, what? I don't know, man. Maybe you're right. Dude, this is tough. This is real tough. I haven't even thought this through, okay? All I knew was we were in the Shire, leaving the Shire, when this wick happened, when we could start talking about hidden divergence and a confirmation low. That's it. We're going to have to do way more work on this, okay? Don't get wrecked. I'm already starting to like feel it.
Could you look at HTR on KuCoin? Love everything you do, thank you.
Associate Pal, thanks for $23. Dude, the rare Nike contribution. You see that, chat? Just do it. Nike. Michael Jordan. But me. My number 2. That was my number in high school, man. I mean, my dad's number in college. Let's go, dude. Yeah. Let's, That's the only request. HTR or something, right?
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
HTR in the chat. Interesting-ish, but meh. A big meh is in the chat. HTR, Hathor. It did things one time. It did some insanely incredible things like others. And now it's doing the same thing. It's full reset. Full reset from that low to the high. Where are ye? You're at the 88% retrace again. At the 88% retrace, showing some massive bullish divergence on both oscillators. Wow, it's like a common effing theme, dude. It's like a Bartley-Gartley. I mean, we could, if you want me to, I can just get it out and do the same thing, dude. The Gartley-Bartley is the 886, man. Sure, bullish engulfing candle yesterday, like everything else. Get back above 62 cents. You break 62 cents, you could very well see 98 cents. Yeah, you're at the reaction level. You're at the level where a reaction could very well occur. It already kind of did with the engulfing candle, but you haven't broke resistance, which is just upon ye. You're kind of literally at it, and then the top part's 62 cents. So, yeah, not bad. Gandalf's composite operator. I could see that. First, oh, he definitely is, man. He certainly is. So it's there. It's there. Associate pilot. You kind of see where I'm at. We've started to react off the divergence at the critical levels, but you gotta break 62 cents. But if you can break 62 cents, you go to 98 cents. Like, so the upside potential of this asset can break this critical area. The upside could take you up 59%. Wow. It's not bad, man. Not bad at all. And that's all I got to say about that. You might rally and then sell off, and maybe you get a type 2 return eventually. Return of the King. Return of the Kings. Back to 45 cents. But yeah, nice. I mean, it's like the oscillators are implying reaction soon. And you've started. And it kicked off an engulfing. That's it. Okay. So strong, man. So strong. Bitcoin. We already looked at Crowcoin on the last stream. That was this morning. I'm just drinking, man. I'm just drinking my beer. I'm relaxing. Been live for 2 hours and 2 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button, the bell, sub. Thanks for the 1,000+ likes. You know, I mean, 1,172 likes at this current time. That is, it's been a while. So thank y'all. And here's just total, all of the cryptos combined in one chart, pretty much. Massive deal.
We
This
defeated
is not
the
a
two
joke.
towers and now we are on to World War III for Bitcoin.
Yeah, I don't know if that's really how it goes. You go 2 towers to World War III. Thank you, Shockness. Thank you, dude. Yeah, I think it's not gonna happen. I don't think we're going to World War. I mean, that'd be crazy, you know? It would be crazy, man. Whoops. Richard Hart is Boromir. Richard Schuler, the steward son of Gondor or something. Yeah, that's kind of concerning. I mean, like, the sanctions we're putting on Russia, I don't even think they get it. I don't even understand how bad it's going to be. Like, it's so bad, though, that I don't even know how they get put into a corner to where they go to war. It's more like the citizens of Russia literally kill Putin or something. Because it's just going to be... It's so bad for them. Like, the oligarchs, the rich and the poor, and like, and whatever, if even you're middle class, your life is freaking economically ruined if you're a Russian citizen right now. Pretty much. Like, that's like confirmed. That's a thing. That's happened. And I just don't know how this guy is gonna not have somebody try and destroy him, like, from within. And it's just only gonna get worse every single day. And like, say, and they probably will. They'll take the capital. They'll take Kiev. But they have created their own, like, Afghanistan, Iraq situation where it just doesn't make sense. You can occupy all you want. You can put in your own government. You're going to have resistance everywhere in the country forever now. Forever. And it's not just that. It's like everyone in the world wants to see you collapse.
Good day, glad you're feeling good. Take a chance, live a little and spin that wheel.
Oh, formal will spin. Okay, that's like the second formal will spin. What's up, dude? Thanks for the 1777 repeating a course. Wow, you're 1 cent off. You could have tipped 1 less cent and had America. Okay, patron string. Nothing. Safe again. Like, Crypto Hoarder tried to get me to chug. You trying to get me to chug? I don't have to do anything, man. Dude, what is up? Okay, we're safe. I'm safe, dude. It won't hit. Nothing will hit chug. No coin flips. No wheel spins. It's just not gonna happen, man. Okay, it's just not gonna happen. Oh yeah. Talking about Sun Tzu, you don't want to ever back your enemy into a corner like that. But again, if your enemy is provoking war with a sovereign country, you yourself are backed into it. Right? The aggressor has backed you into a corner. Therefore, you must back your opponent into the corner. Fortunately, I mean, enough people around the world understand freedom and stuff. So it's the whole world against him.
I blame Klaus Schwab.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I'm sure that piece of crap, sociopath, has something to do with it. Yes, absolutely.
Luke Berserker tipped $21.75. Vitust. Also spin. Also chug. Also coin flip. Also 888.88. 0.000500000 BTC.
Oh, well, look, man, that's so much for the whole count with that.
BTC/RUB is up 25% over 5 days. Russian ruble to US dollar down 25% last 5 days. You're the man.
Thank you. Contrary, man. That's my man.
What's up, my dude?
Sorry.
Did you do dot yet? If you did it already, take the cash.
No, we haven't, but we will. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Stick with what you know, man. Stick with what you know, man. Okay, dude. I'll leave it to you. I'll delegate to you because you know so much more, dude. You're a genius, dude.
It's China to me, China.
China.
Hey Mitch,
We need a Russia.
awesome stream.
One of these.
Just wanted to say, if this Tia stuff doesn't work out for you, you could always start an OnlyFans and call it Mitch Ray T&A.
I could. Thank you, Stormy Danielson Connect, for the recommendation. I appreciate it. Thank you. I could start an OnlyFans. Never thought about it. Only as a joke, but wow, that's genius. So. Oh, I'm invited to the bunker. Thank you, Crypto Hoarder. Yeah, I don't know if that happens. I don't think anyone's gonna care about TA if we're getting World War III going, dude. Because it's not World War III. It's World War Holocaust, like WWH, World War H. Goodness gracious. Wow. That was like a blitzkrieg of contributions, so I'm trying to take it all in. Luke Berserker, pick one. Pick one, dude.
3.6.
Not great, not terrible.
D-Time is the new car. Did you show IT yet?
You did miss it, Kalishnikov. Go to my Instagram. Instagram, kind of, my most recent post is the car. Or like a glimpse of it. Thank you, dude. Thank you, comrade. But it's not even fun anymore. Like, we'd say, hey, comrade, before everything. And now it's like, yeah, comrade. Not into it. It's not even funny anymore. Right? It used to be funny. Because, the Soviet Union fell. Now they're like, we're going to be the Soviet Union again. I guess. Not funny. Brad, room for the rest of the team? Yeah, dude. Alright, let's see here. Let me check my notes. Let me check my notes here. Vite, Vegemite. I mean... Seems like, oh, it did hit its lowest price since March of last year. It far exceeded, I don't know, it's like a shark at 100%. How deep's that retrace? I don't know, it still doesn't really look that great, man. A lower low locally, finally hitting support. I mean, it could rally. I'm sure like it's a big M shape. It's exceeding an 88% retrace. I mean, this kind of value perceived, but it's pathetic. It's like, why are you making lower lows than what you made in July and June? Just give me an asset that's not doing that. There are plenty of assets out there that are making higher lows than their July lows. Those are the ones I'm kind of I like those better. Right? Because that shows that literally tells you there are more market participants owning the asset than they did before. This is like, well, Here's your problem on Vegemite or Vegevite coin or whatever this crap is. No one knows what it does. No one cares. It's probably a scam, a rug pull, whatever. Can't prove it makes money. It's just a speculative trash asset that no one's ever heard of before in their lives until right now because someone requested it. It's probably your coin. You probably made the coin, dude.
Helicopter for the top of the penthouse.
But yeah, it's out of support. Am I getting a helicopter? You can't do that, Turtle, because it's a steepled roof. So yeah, it'd have to be like magnetized, you know, to land on the side and whatever. But yeah, Vegemite coin or whatever this crap is hitting one level for the first time in a while. Yeah, that August 20th high. So cool. Oh, maybe on the weekly it's like, hey, is it double bottoming, man? Maybe it double bottoms here. There's bullish divergence on the weekly, class B. So, I mean, maybe there's no signal, no like, give me an engulfing candle this week or something, it'd be good. There's so many coins that exist out there that are better. But yeah, you could just be trying to confirm a bottom here. And, you know, I think the weekly would be great. Some sort of engulfing candle would help. But yeah, you can't say you're not at like some sort of like interesting level here, right? It's just, they're better assets that are more liquid, higher market cap. And just I don't have to ask a question. I don't have to be like, oh, well, it's type 1 return. When I move to another penthouse, I guess, right? In another city. Kind of limited here on penthouse options, like this one and then one other one. That's it. Oh my god, I'm out. I'm out of alcohol. I guess I pour another glass. At this point, I don't know, man. You know. I thought there would be more of a concerted effort here.
On Instagram. What are your pick specs? Badass.
Pick specs. I mean, like, it's a BMW 2022 M5 competition, fully loaded. You know, competition package, the executive package,
Mental
fully
hygiene.
loaded. It's got literally
Never bring
everything,
the sandwich to
every bell and
riding
whistle.
competition. Cool face.
What's up, Todd? Bizarre, man. Good to see you again, dude. Yeah, you better not bring a wedge to driving competition. That's right, Dad. Don't bring a knife to a gunfight. Don't bring a gun to a bazooka fight or something weird, right? Thank you, dude. Yes, it has touchscreen. That is confirmed, and that's real life, okay? Yep. Yeah, there's a track here I can drive on. Hey, it's about, man. What's up, lad?
Spin.
Spin, okay, I'll spend it. Because you literally asked. Mods drink. Hey, Billy, Wayne, Julia, get devastated. That's it. Easiest spin of my entire life, man. We'll go to the next request, which is... Dot. No. Yes. Yes. It's Dot. It's Dot, man. It's the Dot, man. All right, Dot broke out. Chad, it's done, or it happened. Well, at least somewhat, I think, right? Maybe it didn't. Let's see. That was off a little bit. It did break out. Candle close, confirmed breakout of maybe a wedge. You're back in this. You break 1940. If you get above 1940, it's on, dude. You're going to 2649. If you break 1940, upside potential is 36%. Whoa, man, that's pretty insane. That's some serious yield. Well, you're gonna need it because that US dollar keeps depreciating. So maybe you're making a second low, and you clearly, undeniably have bullish divergence on the oscillators. Wow, I'm so surprised. Is it a trend that you just keep doing this on all these assets? You know, you get above $20, boom, $26.50 fast. Why? Because literally that's all it's ever done. Except the one time, February 4th, it didn't. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. And it is breaking supply line. It did break supply line with a candle close confirmation yesterday, and also bullishly engulfed on the daily. So nice. Will we rise? I don't know.
Spin, let's make him chug chat. Help me out, crypto_hoarder.
Associate Pallet, here's the problem, dude. Inflation is taking a toll on everyone's lives and livers. So it was confirmed long ago that not long ago, maybe, really, I was probably the most delayed person to ever raise my prices. $15 for a spin now. Bow, not bail. Thank you, dude. Okay, dot looks good above $20. 1940. Good moon. Bow connect. Oh yeah, I got bow man. I don't think crypto hoarder's here anymore, dude. So I was looking at bow. I charted this 1272. Never got there. Damn it, showing divergence.
Topping off. Spin.
Oh yeah, okay, all right, yeah. Sure, get it over with. You mean, yeah, it's like non-chug, so you literally lose. Watch. Yeah, red did. You can't top off for other people, by the way. It's got to be yours, man. Because that's you can't crowdsource contribution amounts for chugs or spins, right? It's crazy. Whatever just happened. Either way, got it done, and it's not chugged, so get wrecked. Anyway, bow though, 98% retrace from your low from October 2020. Never got to the PCZ of the butterfly. This is a textbook potential butterfly. Never got there. Too strong, I guess. But it's trying to test one, right? You're trying to hold one low, and you're trying again. You really are. You're trying to double bottom here, and the oscillators are helping. Some nice looking stuff on the oscillators on the daily. From your low to your same low, pretty much. Lower levels, negative momentum, higher levels, roll to strength. I mean, you kind of got that going for you. You might reverse here before you get to the 1272, which makes plenty of sense. But look, there's just one level right here. And that is what you're holding right now. And you're holding it twice. So sometimes these harmonics, man, you may not, how can you not, why would you not get to the pattern completion zone? Because there's prevailing support looking left that prevents the asset from getting to the PCZ. So it maybe holds this December 2020 level. It did it once, it's now doing it twice. So it would probably be, it engulfed yesterday. The stage is set, the positive momentum is beginning to build again. Stage is set to at least go test probably the neckline or the supply line.
Specs for your setup.
1489.
Though.
Oh, PC specs. Yeah, I got a Corsair 1000D case. It's the element P, man. A Belushi's certainly still a thing, but we won't talk about it.
$25. Are we arrogantly chugging up in here? Belushi's still a thing? Get wrecked positively, sir.
It is still a thing, literally, and nothing's changed. It's been hit, like, I don't know, like a month ago. Just people don't know. People don't tip 25, nor do they tip 33, repeating, of course, so they just don't know, right? It's the whole phenomena of the 55% of all market participants joined crypto in 2021, and the Belushi has been around for like 4 years or 3.5 years. So it was just a thing that you had to be around participating in this market long before 2021. So it's still there, man. Associate Pallet, did you do the same thing? Well, it spun for you, right? And then I was like, blah, 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 blah. And then, yeah, I did spin for you. BK Blitz, I don't see your... Okay, no, see, BK Blitz, you tip 333, repeating, of course, and then you tip 5. You topped off for Associate Pilot. Associate Pilot, I spun. The last spin I did was for you. Yeah, I spun when you did 1776, and then I spun when you did 15. there's Belushi if you don't know what it is.
At Terran tip $33.33. Knife.
He got me. That's Belushi. I think there's like an 8% chance that hits. And now I have to chug an alcoholic beverage. Wow. And it's like all of a sudden half the people are like, what? That's a thing? Yep. I'll just top it off because this thing is pretty much one alcoholic beverage right here. And this is going to be terrible. Yeah, that was bad at turn. Is that the Rose song? No, it's not the Rose song.
Spin.
Now it's getting scary. God, no way! What? Dude! Belushi and then spin chug. What the? Dude, it's like fighting a war on two fronts. Jesus. Dang, man, that's rough, dude. That's real rough. So on Bow, I'm just saying it may not get to the one, may not get to 861 because it looks like it might be reversing now. Add a support on a confirmation low with divergence. That's where you reverse. You're gonna probably head to $15. It's currently at 1337. Oh, good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. I don't even think Crypto Hoarder was here to see all that just happen, man. That's real bad, dude. That's like maybe the worst 1-2 punch I've ever seen, right? Boom, boom. Left, right.
Spin.
Knocked out. And then just a random spin after those two things happen. Dang, that's real bad. All right. No chug. We're good. We good. Thank you, dude. Dude, it's Monday. Well, it's now Tuesday according to Universal Time. What are Ukrainians doing, man? I just think about them all the time, dude. Like around the clock. When I'm not like watching or when I'm not streaming, I'll have like the webcams up with audio on, like on one of my TV downstairs, upstairs. I just have it on, man. I'm just constantly just glued to the screen or you know, it's just like it's a background thing too. I'll be, you know, cycling or working out or something, and I'll just have the audio on. I don't know. You'll hear the booms and the air raid, the sirens and stuff. It's crazy, man. Julie is right. Yeah, Julie's gonna be wrong when I get rid of these chugs and I'm safe and nothing happens. What the? Dude, when is 3333 ever back-to-back Belushi? What?
It's code and tip $33.33. 3 chugs hype.
Dude, no way! How? Dude, that is so much bullcrap. Dude, I think 8% chance for that variation hit, 8%. And it just did it literally 100% back to back. Boom, boom. Wow. Wow, dude. Wow. Yeah, really. Bull market confirmed, dude. Bull market confirmed.
Instead of the helicopter, how about a jetpack? I got Tony Spark on Speed Doyle. Mr. 6
Speed
Balcano.
Doyle.
Is that a joint?
Dude, I don't know about speed doils. Is that some sort of new technology? Gubs up a job. Oh, thank God, dude. Jeez, thank God.
Bat used.
Now look at Batman. Here it is, 886. You're literally at 886, and there's ungodly divergence on the oscillators. That's all I can give you, Matt Cron, okay? I can't tell you where it's going. I can't do, all I can do is say divergence, 886. From the low to the high, there you are. Wow. Wow. That was nasty, dude. Chat caught on. Not. Yeah, Tika Dan. I mean, I don't know if he knew about it. I'm scared now because I'm gonna be so drunk, dude. I'm gonna be like, how you doing? It's gonna be me in seconds now. And there's so much carbonation. Where are my lights? Why are my lights turn off, man? Oh, so nasty. There we go. There's our lights, dude. Shake the bottle. Probably not a good idea. I'm already like over halfway through this bottle, though, man. Pretty bad. I'm trying to make the listen. The bottle's gonna fart. Listen. We were looking at the Bitcoin real chart. What are you doing, Arnie, man? Why did the dude tip 33 but no Belushi? Because Belushi is a percentage chance. If you tip a Belushi that way, 33, it's a 8% chance. 25 is a 6% chance. So, streaming turning me into an alcoholic? Nah, I know how to get away. I don't have that problem. Like, I'm just been blessed enough to not have that issue. I don't know, because I think, like, the next day always is terrible, and I'll normally just take a week off and stuff from drinking, you know? It is insane, Chargers. It is insane. Yeah. Okay, all right, I'm trying to get this going, man. I'm trying to get this going. All right, Bitcoin, doing things, man. Bat, it's at an area. This is all I can show you is like, wow, it's got all the makings of a Velocity athlete. Just gotta catch some more bids. That's it, dude. Bitcoin's still hanging out, up 0.74% on the new day, $325. Massive Jesus candle yesterday. Broke us above major resistance. And now you just got a little bit further to go. Strategic operation. Yeah, that's what it's called, isn't it? When's China gonna wake up? They're up, man. Unless they're deadbeats, they awake, man. I'm just kidding. Am I keeping it together, Crypto Hoarder? That's flattering because I don't. Anyone agree? I'm keeping it together right now, man. I mean, I'm just wait. I gotta. What was I doing? I poured, and it didn't happen. Another glass of champagne primed up because I owe 2 more chugs. I just drank one chug, 2 more to go. Will it be a mellow night? Yeah, probably. For Bitcoin, crypto, I think it'll be a pretty chill night. I mean, if it keeps rallying like insane, that's gonna be. I would just think that it would be so appropriate if Bitcoin just back tested $40,000 or $42,000. They back tested it. I mean, maybe I'm crazy here for even suggesting the idea, but like a back test is always good. We see it just all the time. When you break resistance, you then back test it as support. Right, man. Am I drunk? Oh God, I'm getting there, man. I'm really getting there. Like, for real. One sec. What the heck? Trying to find the right emoji. Right, you always gotta have the right emoji in a conversation, right? If you say the right emoji, it can unlock the access and keys to the city. The keys to the city chat, all right? Or you could just send an eggplant. Eggplant's always a good go-to, right? The 1 second Bitcoin auction TA. The only person that I will allow to
42K
authorize that would be Crypto Hoarder for a 1 second auction house TA, okay? What will be the retest zone? Sarkis, look left, or look literally where the gray is. You see the gray on this chart? It's between 40,665 and 42K. That's it. Why? The candle high closed on the daily from January 8th, 2021, and the wick high. That's the zone. And ever since then, the remainder of history, including recently, it's been an area, a certain battleground area. Okay, so you back test that zone, no problem, man. Anywhere between there. It can go to 40,665, and people are going to be so scared, but it's like, it might be okay. It's still fine. All right. Yeah, dude. Like, for something so stupid as doing 1 second TA, it's got to be, like, authorized from the hoarder, man. All right. So let me try to chug this, because this is probably, like, too much anyway. Drunky TA streams. Yep. It's sad. I mean, it's kind of like it's a blessing and a curse. Like, I'm probably a better entertainer when I drink alcohol, and I don't know why. I can't make myself, like, as entertaining or stupid. Maybe that's what it is. I'm more stupid when I drink, so. All right, 2 and 3 doubt it. 2 and 3 doubted. 2 and 3 doubt. We did our Burke. Well, it took an effort. It was definitely a team effort. Okay. I'm my Gadala. Is that what it is? My Gadala. See, that's what I'm saying. It's like I get to read it, and being drunk is like it's funnier when I read things drunk. Can I explain the sport? I literally just explained it. Mother of God. Can you explain the sport even though you literally just explained it? I hope you're just delayed. Because it's like, explain it to me like I'm 5. I did. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. I might be wrong. But that's as far as it goes. It is 3 chugs. I have 1 more. No one said, I'm not denying it. You can't just chug 3 literally instantly.
Can I get a spin for your birthday? Happy birthday, Mitch. Why haven't you told anyone?
Right here, dude. Right here. Because it's not my birthday, man. Come on, dude. Come on, man. Come on, man. Thank you, dude. I guess. Like, whatever. What's 1 more spin? Whoa, what the? What the? Thank God. All right, patron strength. Get devastated. Thank you. Oh, happy birthday, dude. Happy birthday, dude. 100%. Hey, are you related to Brad, dude? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna do things. All right, so we don't have any more requests, which is good. I'm just trying to collect my composure right here.
Brooke Blitz 24 super chatted $33.33. Happy birthday.
Thanks so much for the birthday wishes, BK Blitz. Yeah, bud, my birthday, bud. Of course. Oh, you're just gonna go ahead and say it's my birthday all the time. Yeah, happy birthday to me, man. Oh my God. I just turned 34 again. All right. Why don't we just do it, man? Why don't you have the confetti going? Happy birthday! No, that confetti is for, that's for Bitcoin, man. That's for Bitcoin breaking these chains of 42K. We did it. Fantastic. Matthew D's getting married today? Is that true? Well, congratulations, Matthew D is getting married today. Dang, I didn't even know. Very good. Okay, let me pour the last chug. Okay, last chug. Almost the last ounce of this freaking bottle. My God. Yeah, that's way too much. God, that's like over a glass for sure. You are screwed. So you know it's gonna be fun tomorrow. So I'm meeting with my grandma tomorrow, and she's gonna test drive my old BMW. You know what I'm doing? I don't know. I told y'all. Be like, what are you doing with your old car? I'm literally giving it to my grandma. Like, just giving her the title, giving it to her, man. So we're meeting tomorrow for lunch, just test drive, make sure she likes it, which I know she will. And it's done. She's gonna be like, hand over the keys. Here you go, grandma. Love you. Fun times. Oh, things became another spender. Yeah, I gotta. Here you go, dude. And safe. I'm safe.
Brooke Blitz 24 super chatted $33.33. Happy birthday.
I hope you realize
Mrs.
that
Grandma.
spin was for that
Spin.
right there. So, no chug. We safe, man. We safe. Trade up or down. Trade up or down. Bro, get into
Luke
like
Berserker
the.
tip $21.70. Time for drunk TA. Excuse 0.000500000 BTC.
It was kind of just like not looking that great. I think ICX, right? ICX Connect. Where is it? Such a scrub, it's hiding. There it is. But dude, it's South Korean. I mean, for real, it's kind of just like... I guess it's diverging again. It's like quadruple diverge. All it does is make lower levels of negative Momo. It's not really good. I don't really like it that much. I get it, man. Yeah, it's like 100% retrace. I would just probably go with something else, even though it's the classic same type of M shape. I just know there are better assets that exist out there than this one right now. That we had a trade setup that was posted in June or July. I think it was July. It was the Type 2 return. We're like, okay, it's right around 82, 90 cents. You know, it's like I think it'll double in price if it holds here, and it did. It over doubled. It went up to 273. So I don't know at this point, man. I don't really like a lower low recently. I get there's divergence, you know, like it was showing divergence already, and it just crapped out anyway. So yeah, short-term reversal incoming. It goes to 93 cents to $1 and tested as resistance and fails. Cool, dude. I mean, I'm not really. It's not that great. They're just. I say that it's like it's okay, but I think they're just better assets. And I wouldn't settle in life. Just like you shouldn't settle in life. Okay. Settle for ICX. Or get something better. Yeah, I would get something better. Leon, I could understand why you think it's my birthday, right? It's actually not, but it's just everyone's trolling me, and it's okay. How much does YouTube take from my donors? If they super chat me, they take 30%, and then the IRS takes 37%. So if you super chat me, you're really more like here's literally less than half the money I'm giving you, and I'm okay with it. If you want to tip me and like it'd be amazing, the best way to do is crypto, and then stream elements. So at least I only have to pay the IRS. I don't have to pay Google 30%. All right, I'm just telling you. Yeah, super chatting me, you're only giving me 70% before the IRS. So some people don't know that, you know.
It's China to me, China.
China.
You're doing good, mate. Fist, what do you think about ASML holding NV?
Oh, I don't know, Oscar. Thank you for the 460 China Connect. Thank you, dude. Thank you, man.
Just want to say yeah,
I agree. It's similar to what I was thinking. It was in that category, but you went a little crazy with it. Thank you, dude. Adam, for the 10 pounds, mate. Gonna cost by. It's about midnight, mate. Thank you, dude. That's why Crypto Hoarder tips ETH. Exactly. You're tipping me in an asset that could definitely outrun inflation, right? So that's what's so incredible, tipping in crypto, because you're not just tipping me in fiat and it just sits there, and then I got to do something with it. So you tip me in something and I don't ever touch it, you know? Just leave it alone, man. Tipping merch? What's about that? I think actually one of the best ways, like, of course you join the Patreon, but you would buy the NFTs. And that's like single-handedly the best way to tip, maybe after Patreon, and then crypto tipping, and then stream elements, and then super chat. Oh, thanks, Alexander, man, for the birthday gift from Wish, dude, or whatever. Oh, let's go to Ethereum. Let's go check out Ethereum. How's it doing, man? Okay. How's it doing, man? I think it's gonna be all right. It's just hanging out after bullishly engulfing and broke 2,900. It's probably going to back test 2,900 if anything. So you only got to go down $20 more, but you test it, you hold it, then you can go to moon. All right, really good stuff going on here, man. These are really good things. The biggest tip is to be kind. Yeah, you're right, man. You just gotta be kind. Well, I try to be kind, right? I mean, like, isn't like the whole, like, giving, all those things, right? What's going on with my lights? Oh, jeez.
Wish I was smart like you, and happy birthday anyways, cause I missed it and was awesome stream, and I want you to flip.
You want me to flip? Well, unfortunately, a coin flip's like around $250, you know. But you are smart. If you're like watching this stream, I would say you're in a pretty good category of intelligence, because this stream, like, if you're like not into investing in yourself, you're not gonna be here. Like, you're just not gonna care. Like, if you're not into traditional technical analysis, you won't be here. And it does require like a certain aptitude to get this stuff, or even to care about it, like to even think about it and understand what it is. Like, it's, you know, so I think you're pretty smart. Thank you, dude. How much is my NFT from 2/22/22 worth? Oh, I don't know, man. Whatever they all listed it at, you know. Whatever it's being listed. Go to my Wearable account. It's there. Someone put it up for auction. Crypto Hoarder, fake news, dude. I have to chug one more time, Crypto Hoarder, dude. For real. It's sitting here. It's gonna be just... I'm gonna be so wrecked after this. Dude, I am so loosey-goosey right now. You think you meant spin, not flip? Oh, okay. Well then, yeah, whatever. If he meant that, then I didn't even think about it. Yeah. I was just literally taking him by what he meant. Oh, so yeah, I didn't land on chug, so I win, thank God. Drink some more water for him. Alcohol, mate. Good idea. Good idea. There's some water, dude, for you. All high IQ people have alien abduction stories. Yeah, you're right, dude. That's something I heard on... Actually, I've never heard that. Oh, I'm just trying to bide my time for a second before I check this last... I don't owe anything after this. I'm like a free man. Free! I'm debt free! What's up, Jackson, man? How you doing, dude?
Aside from TA, how do you like the M5? My goal is to have one in 3 years or sooner.
Oh, it's literally like, I mean, you know, I was in a 535i, like a 10-year-old car, you know, so it's literally the best thing I've ever owned as a car, and it's incredible. It's literally like, I'm excited to drive. Like, I'm like, oh, I need to find excuses to go driving and stuff. So, and it's also just nice to, when I do occasionally drive, I've got that, you know. So I'm very, very happy about it. And it was not easy coming across it, man. It's so tough getting these cars. Like, the supply chain's rough. So, yeah, I love it, Jackson. Thank you for asking, man. Why isn't your stream almost going through? You put it through 5 minutes ago. Did it meet the minimum? Yeah, because you tipped $1. Because it doesn't. Yeah, when you tip one, it's a $3 minimum on TTS. You can't tip $1 and expect TTS. Think about someone did monopolize the entire stream when it was like that, and we had to change it. You can't have nice things ever. That's right, Crypto Hoarder. High IQ Connect. Let's go, dude. But again, you're no match for my liver. Okay, I'm gonna check this.
How much do I have to tip to smoke a joint on stream?
It's not about amounts. It's pretty much, it's a location, right? I'm in Alabama, and that's like illegal. It's pretty much like killing somebody here. So I'd have to be like in Colorado or somewhere that it's legal to do that. But I still don't know if I'd do it then. So I don't know, man. Like, that's a good question, dude. Great question. That's never literally ever been answered. So sorry, dude. Pretty much that is pretty much how it goes, man. Okay, I just finished that up. Goodness gracious. I keep getting this, and I'm like, is Crypto Hoarder about to destroy me? Maybe I'm safe.
Crypto Plumber tipped $26.80. I think one more spin should do it. 0.236000000 LTC.
I'm sorry, what was the question? Hey, it's a Crypto Plumber. Hey! So, dude. I don't know, man. No chug, dude. It's kind of like the chug game. It's like, there are times when we'll play the regular wheel spin game for just the game, but then when you've got coin flips and you've got Belushi's going on, it's really tough to play the actual wheel spin game by itself in its purest form. So no chug, meh. Who cares, right? You're just gunning for the king, man. Like when it hits chug, you're killing the king. If you're not hitting chug, it's not killing the king. The crypto says buy or sell. Buy or sell, buy or sell. Dude, are you drunk? Says Ire as chat gets me to literally chug 3 different times. Are you drunk, dude? I'm sorry if you're like newer coming in here. We have been live for 2 hours, 49 minutes. This is the second stream of the day.
Weird that it sent only $1. Wanted to say sorry about sending scrub YouTube tip earlier. Forgot its worthlessness.
Huh. Yeah, AJ, look. I'll show you real quick. Look. AJ Productions tip $1. Shoot, forgot about the BS YouTube tips. Just thanks. What were we talking about here? Was there another or something, dude? I don't understand. Thank you, dude, for the 1337 contribution, man. Yeah, I'm lit, dude. I'm like legit lit. Okay, so evidently, like, someone might be watching that. Don't embarrass me, please. Oh God, please don't. Goodness gracious. So yeah, we're lit. We're deep into a stream that is not quite a marathon stream, but we are now matching the amount of time I was live this morning. So this is your second stream. We got about 6 hours of live stream uptime today, and it's I think it's pretty warranted, right? I don't really know how I feel about this whole, like, I don't know. It just wasn't good. I wasn't feeling it. So again, I would never be surprised if 40k to 42k was back tested. You held it, but based on this oscillator, the oscillators on the daily, just wonderful, man. So good. Hold on. I gotta like message Crypto Hoarder. Mute him. Okay. Everything okay? Everything going okay over here? Don't turn it down, dude.
You ever going to do TA Jeopardy again? If so, how do I get in?
I should. Those were the days of yesteryear, right? I mean, they were good. It took a lot of coordination. Yeah, we should bring them back. And probably it's overdue. It's like during this past 4-month period, we should have been doing TA Jeopardy, right? I mean, just for sure. No, that's not a joint, dude. It's not a joint at all. Sorry. But yeah, that dude, TA Jeopardy, Kanatomo, man, killed it. You know, that's okay. Look, man, I get it. Like, that's XRP. Didn't I appreciate the fervor, man? Let's just focus on me if that's the case, and not on others. Forget them, you know. Mods will take care of them if they're bad or something. But I appreciate it. Thank you for the loyalty. All right. TA Jeopardy is messed up because people who sign up don't show up. That was like, dude, Brad, we're like, come on. That was before our community blew up like 8 times, right? That was like, wasn't TA Jeopardy like before the 2019 moonage? Maybe? I think it was after the moon or something. Anyway, like, it's just, things have changed. Our community has blown up since then. So I think, like, I don't think we would have, you know, kind of the same type of issues we had way back in the day, you know? Excuse me. Did this stream climax already? Is it already? Is that it, dude? Are we going into remission? Look, dude, I don't know, man. I'm just gonna.
Love the drinking streams. A friend of mine recommended the TA and I haven't regretting a min. I'm a fan of the UO's coin because of the giant Ubisoft working with them for play to earn in 2022-23.
Not good enough for my own BMW? I see how it is, Sonny. Spin.
Thank you, Dustin, for the 20. Thank you, Mitch's grandma, for the 50. Not good enough for my own BMW. What are you talking about? I'm literally giving you my own BMW. What are you talking about, Mitch's grandma? Fake news. Dustin, I'm glad you're enjoying it, and I'm glad you're getting something out of the streams, man. Joking aside, UOS coin, because giant Ubisoft working play to earn. UOS, is that even available on, you know? It is, it exists as well. Holy crap, it's real. Let's go to KuCoin. Dude, I'll tell you, what a parabolic uptrend on this asset I've never seen in my entire life. Dude, that thing's like legging up. What an uptrend, man. Holy crap. You could probably just go with a supply line, or I'm sorry, demand line. Perfect demand line.
Happy birthday, Mitch. Keep network, please. Thank you.
Oh yeah, thanks for the birthday wishes, man. Dude, oh my god, is it your birthday, man? No, it's not my birthday, but thank you, dude. Well, I think we could all just like conclude immediately an M shape. Wow, just a Momo M shape. Oh, it just happens to be like a perfect Gartley. Oh my god, it is. It's like a perfect Gartley. A little deeper than 786. That's beautiful. So the Gartley's continuing this rally. It's staying above the 200 moving average. Your target from here is like 193. Yeah, this thing is so good. What a beautiful, beautiful structure. Or just a beautiful trend it's in. And it's holding support. It's creating M shapes. It's like Luna in ways. Yes, your target from here at 131 is legit. 192, and if you're really in good conditions, 248. All right, those are your two highs. Those are your next levels. If you do what you continue doing what you're doing, you're going to 191 and then maybe 250 if things are great. Okay, what an uptrend on UOS that I've ultra tether. Just when I thought I'd analyzed all S coins, there was another. Wow, pretty good chart, man. That's it. Okay. All right, let's see here. Another request. What was the next request? There's only like one. Is it? Can we get some audio levels? What's going on here? It's like super loud. You're drunk as a skunk in London town. Thank you, Uncle Bob Crypto, for hanging out, dude. We're here, man. It's a little late over there, like beyond midnight in London, mate. You be safe, all right? That's all I can say. All right, next one was a spin. Okay, Mish's grandma, my grandma. Thanks, grandma. Here's the spin for grandma. God, my freaking grandma, are you kidding me? Why, grandma? Why? This is gonna be a good stream, man. This is gonna be a great stream, dude. Now look at it now. You're screwed, man. Dude, there's like, I mean, I finished that bottle, dude. It literally popped the bottle and you heard it, and now it's done. Now it's over. Now it's literally kicked completely. I'm screwed, man. Good job, grandma. I mean, for real, dude. That's like valiant. Wow. UOS though, unreal, beautiful asset. I don't know what this crap is, but wow. Something about video games, and it looks great. Hydration Bot would be like, you have extreme problems. You have serious issues. Crypto Hoarder said he's 3 drinks deep. 3 minutes ago, Crypto Hoarder chat said he was 3 drinks deep himself. Oh, you got no chance, man. You got no chance. You got 10 trading TA Jeopardy boards already put together. If one a turn, that's kind of the bottleneck. If you got them, we might do it. We might be doing Crypto Jeopardy or TA Jeopardy again, man. For real. Holy crap. UOS. Oh, Mitch's grandma. She's back.
Wouldn't be chugging if you just gave me the new ride instead of sloppy seconds. Spin.
Bruh, you realize that car is worth as much as it was when I bought it. Gross, grandma. Don't be gross. Yeah, sure. I don't even get it. That's so unfair to spin when you're trying to Belushi me. It's like double trying to screw me. It shouldn't be like that. Patrons drink anyway. Nice stuff on UOS. I'm like super pleased with that. I'm supposed to now I have to look at Keep. That's on the list of watches. Watch list. Okay, let's see here. Keep Bueller. Keep. I guess it's not on my watch list. All right, then. Hold on a sec. Can't believe this, man. Yeah, cars are stupid right now. Thank God I got one. I'm glad I got my new baby. Oh, my God. Let's... Is there another chart where it's not like this? Yeah, kind of. How about that, man? I mean, just... Hold on. Not a good start. Yeah, keep. I mean, like, it didn't confirm a bottom, but you can't tell me it didn't react insanely well at this 38, 36 cent level and has rallied like the Jesus. But I'll tell you, you're up against another level or getting there.
Spin.
Yeah, dude. God, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it, man. God, it's so broken. It's so broken, dude. This is effed. I gotta... Yeah, just go ahead and get the second bottle, man. Brad says, throw in the detail. What are you, Apollo Creed's trainer? Chat is Ivan Drago or something in Vegas. Pretty wild. I mean, you can't long it now. Like, what are you gonna do? How are you gonna long keep now? You break 92 cents, you moon, probably. That's the worst freaking... Everything was fine, and then it just got so bad so fast. Y'all got so lucky, man. You know, think about this. What if Crypto Hoarder hit his coin flips and all this happened? How bad it would be. It would be terrible, dude. Terrible. So looking at Keep, you can't take action on it. There's nothing like oh, it's at a certain level that looks great for a long, you know, not really that great. So, I'm put on my nerd glasses. Hey, I'm a nerd. What's up, dudes? Don't want to detail. Oh, man. Wow, dude. So bad. What am I gonna do? How do we defund the wheel? Great question. At some point, man, I mean, like, I don't know. This thing, you could try to paint a harmonic. It's all about the levels here. You break 92 cents, 101, you know, kind of pseudo price discovery. You go to the wig at 130. It's pretty good though. It's making a low, a higher low, and then a higher low again. It's almost like from this low to this low. Accumulation, very subtle, calm, collected accumulation going on. So yeah, not really like something you can be long in right now, because you know, about 3 days ago, it's at 57 cents. It's at 83 cents now. It's really tough to be going long, right? I can't believe this, dude. That's like 5 technical chugs in one stream, and I did a bonus stream this morning, you know, like a live price action stream, and then pretty much turned into that. It'll probably turn into that again. You know, the longer I stay live, the way Bitcoin's looking right now, it's like, sure, it's just hanging out here, but wow. You want to talk about a strong asset? This thing has confirmed its bottom after it like has confirmed accumulation in its uptrend. It just confirmed the highest low of all time on the weekly on Bitcoin. That's what it's doing right now. Overtime stream. I've been live 3 hours and 5 minutes, which is crazy because I remember back in the day, man. What is going on, dude? Oh, never mind. Okay, never mind. Johnny Lawrence is in the stream. Who's Johnny Lawrence, man? Who's Johnny Lawrence, dude? I mean, I know who Johnny Lawrence is, but who is that in the stream? Why are you saying that? What provokes one to say that? Oh, we got winners. We got winners, dude. Wow, I am lit. I'm gonna have to go get like something to keep this going, I guess, right? All right, well, y'all better explosion of gunshots. What? Okay. I guess I'm gonna go try to figure it out. I'll just be right back, I guess. I'm not getting up tomorrow, but I got to, because I gotta go eat lunch with my grandma and give her my car. So I'll be right back. Like button, bell, sub. Amazing.
Bruh.
Hey, what's up? I'm back. Yeah, so kind of things were okay, and then they kind of like
Don't kill yourself, just have chug debt.
just have chug debt. That's a good idea. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should just have chug debt. I owe 2 chugs because maybe I should. Bitcoin's not doing enough on the new day to keep it lit enough, right? Dude, I don't know what to do, man. I've been live for 6 hours on the day now. Like, you know, from the morning stream to now. It's been a long day. A long day, man. Bitcoin broke out. It's real nice. This evening's been nuts. I mean, it really has. And thank y'all for being here. Like, I can't believe some of y'all are still here. I mean, the party is just... Well, really, like, you know, the breakout was nuts. We had like 1,600 people watching earlier, and it's just kind of like calmed down. Everything's just kind of calmed down, understandably. Good God. You're still here, man. You're still here. I'm gonna miss y'all. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't separate
Was
from
a
y'all.
lineman Von Ewing a teammate of yours at Bama? Used to party with him back in the day. He
Von
played for Sula.
Ewing? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't remember the name. I was only there for a couple of years. 06 to early 08. 06 season, 07 season. So, yeah, people ask me that. I'm like, no, I don't remember that name so much. Doesn't really stick out. Just find out when he played, you know. But I was just a scrub walk-on, man. I was a nobody at Bama. I was just they got me jacked. You know, they got me to 235 pounds of pure muscle. A little bit fat, you know, to just take on hits from the first team fullback. And then we wouldn't even be able to tackle the running back because they just let the running back go. So just practice. It was just, that's all it was. I don't know. I think that's your internet problem, bullish boss. That's you, bullish inverse boss for internet, dude. No one else complains about it but you, so it's probably you if you're the only one that complains. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm just like, I don't even know where I'm at right now in terms of how does this stream continue. I don't know. Should I chug? Should I just leave it alone? And now Dalal's putting doubt in my mind where I shouldn't even open this alcohol and just end the stream. You know what I'm saying? Can't see if it breaks that resistance to going to $3. Bengals making the playoffs? Yeah, they did. They made the Super Bowl, dude. You're a little behind, I guess. Lagging. Mitch's grandma, let's go! Wow. Thanks, Grandma.
Mitch's grandma tipped $250. Grandma wants to flip for her birthday.
Oh, well, based on 2 flips already going sour for me, or going inverse sour, going sweet for me, this one's gonna go sour. Based on the fact that I'm getting wrecked.
Remember that one time at Chug Camp where you put that bottle? Spin.
No, yes, sir. That's your deepest, darkest fantasies. You're thinking about what you dreamed about last night, not what actually happened. Thank you so much, yes, sir. Why do my lights keep turning off, man? Y'all turning my lights off. Getting trolled, man. Good Lord, hold on. Let there be light. Okay, there's light. I don't know what's faster than M5, M3. I mean, I don't know. I don't care. I like a large sedan. Super sedan, literally is what it actually is. Lights on, music dead, no light. Do y'all not hear the music? Is it music dead? Okay, so Mitch's grandma are about to flip this thing, and I could almost literally guarantee you, since it landed on tails twice, there's no way it will land on tails again. It's absolutely impossible. I already owe 2 chugs. This is about to be number 3, and I'm about to show you. Watch certainty unfold, chat. Here it is. Here's heads. Wow. I can't believe it. 3 tails in a row. Wow, man. Save. Finally something good happens. Good God. Yeah, I like the M5 being bigger. I don't know. I don't like small cars. I like big cars and sporty cars. But I also don't like ostentatious, insane cars. I like subtle luxury, where people maybe don't even know, what they're next to. Yeah, that was a huge break for me. That's my luck, man. I actually lucked out right there. Yeah, the Y-Wing, you want the X-Wing, the Y-Wing, the B-Wing, or the TIE Fighter? I don't know, man. I'm not really sure which one I am into, Great question. Oh my God, my old boss is on Snapchat now. I don't know why I got notified. That's so weird, because I do not like my old boss. Ugh. I'm talking about my old boss from a long time ago. Yikes. Can't believe I got notified for that. Okay, so owing to alcoholic beverage chugs, but I'm just kind of like, I've been live for 3 hours, 17 minutes. Bitcoin's not doing much, which is great. It's great when Bitcoin doesn't do much after an impulse like that. It's not like getting immediately rejected. It's just hanging out, meaning like the market participants who bought this asset, they still own it. So you gotta love that. And just if you get a marginal pullback to back test levels of support, that's even greater. Take it easy on him. He's watching. Who is he? He is a vague pronoun, element of he. Oh, it's not a he, it's a she. It's a she. And she's definitely not watching the stream, my old boss. It was one of the worst experiences I've ever had in the workforce. I don't even want to go into it. I'm just so happy I'm not in that world. That was so bad. Just keep the chug debt. Yes, sir, says owe you a spin. People being really nice. People, no one's being like chug now or be destroyed. It wasn't my first job ever. It was a career job. My first job ever was, I was 16 and I worked at somewhere called Skates 280. Kind of near my stomping grounds. I worked at a skating rink when I was 16, 17. And I was like, kind of best friends with the owner's son. And we would just do that. It was fun. But you asked what my first job ever was. It was just a little scrub job. Summer job to make some extra scratch, right? What's wrong with that? Nothing's wrong with that. Oh, hey, Crypto Hoarder, what'd you say, man? Chug debt approved, he says 6 minutes ago. Grandma, that's so messed up.
Mitch's grandma tipped $25. Chug now or be destroyed. Spin.
I don't know what. Something's going to change. We're going to go to the rules council of this community and talk about the Belushi combo with actually requesting wheel spins. That's messed up. Because that didn't used to be a thing. It used to be the wheel didn't exist. And you'd tip 25 or 33, and that was it. You couldn't be like, I'm tipping and now I'm getting you to spin. That's crazy. Something's going on, okay, as someone would say. Maybe I just so. Maybe I owe and I don't open the bottle and we end the stream on a good note, and maybe we'll save this for another evening. And it's Monday, right? It's a little too early in the week for princes to be dying, for princes to be slain, because that would be happening if I open this bottle and fulfill these chug debts, right? And thanks for the 1,300 likes. Yes, what a stream it's been. It's been incredible. So good, man. And so grateful for this community. Y'all are amazing, because so many people have come and gone that are part of this community, because everyone's got lives, man. Everyone in this community's got a life, and people got kids, just everything, man. People come, they got They get the info they need. They gotta go. They come back. It's awesome. Hey, you're still live. How many? That is like the most thing I've ever gotten in a long extended stream is you're still live. Amazing. That lets you know like people got things that are going on their own live, but they come back and we're still going and they can't believe it. You know. So 20K has been here since 2018. Yes, you have. Well, you were only here for 2018 briefly. 20K. You were only here for about what? A couple days. Few days in 2018 and it was all over. We didn't see you again until 2020. And only in 2020 were you briefly there. And then we broke it and the year ended and went to 2021. So oh, one spin? Do I? Do I have a spin? Hey, really? Shall I believe Fill the Canyon mods? Do I owe a spin? Can somebody back this up? Please, Beeler? No. No, I don't owe a spin. Crypto Hoarder is the rule master. So, alright, look, I owe 2 chugs. O2 chugs. They will be repaid sooner than you could believe. Chugging 2 more times on a Monday night. I'll get drunker, but like I'm telling you, there's a diminishing return on the drunkenness. And I wasn't really even prepared for a drink stream and stuff. Yeah, so I just think it's been a good stream. I've been live today almost 7 hours in coverage this morning and this evening, so I pulled a double. And if we're above 42K, you gotta be bullish. We get above 44, 45K, hyper bullish, and that's it. Just remember, 2 chugs owed. They will be chugged. They will be paid sooner rather than later. And you can understand, like, I'm already like slurring my words. It's bad. It's like not good. So, we live to fight another day. Debt will be repaid in spades. So thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Thank you so much, Crypto Hoarder, for the $1,137.58 on the day. I'm glad you made it home safely and you landed on your flight because you're almost always in outer space or something. So, hype in the chat for Crypto Hoarder. Hype in the chat for Bitcoin and crypto. Hype in the chat for effing Ukraine. We gotta win, man. Somehow there has to be a way to defeat Russia, the tyrants, man. There's gotta be a way. Gotta pray for Ukraine, man. That's sovereignty. That's freedom under attack. So I'll be back. Until next time, respect the T. A.
When are you getting a helicopter for the top of the penthouse?
everybody. Okay, good stream. Good stream, everybody. Alright. Probably cool down day. Thanks for everything. Love y'all. I'll be back.